Turn up your sound system to the sound of Carlos Santana in the GMB Ghetto and Blues from the refugee camp.
Maria, Maria, she remind me of a West Side Story, growing up in Spanish Harlem. She living a life just like a movie star. She fell in love in East LA to the sounds of the guitar, yeah, yeah. Played by Carlos Santana. Stop the looting, stop shooting, pickpocketing on the corner. See, as the rich is getting richer, the poor is getting poorer. See me and Maria on the corner, thinking of ways to make it better. In my mailbox, there's an eviction letter. Somebody just said, see you later.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning, guys. Hopefully you guys are killing the market if you trade so far, baby. If not, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be looking to murder this market today. Getting into it Money Monday, guys. Get a little hype. A little energy in you. Alright, let's turn this down a little bit. And turn this up a little bit. Turn this up. There we go. My configurations, guys. Configurations. There we go. Alright. And let's adjust this light. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. Woo! So we are looking to kick it off early, baby. Ugh. Sorry, guys. Not feeling the best today, but you know what? We're always here, baby. We're always here. We always try to, make a printer for you guys. Get it in, get it going. And we got Caesar joining us very shortly, guys. So, what is my game plan for today? What is up, ladies and gentlemen? What is YB's game plan? What's going on, man? Yo, YB, why you on early? Well, that's because Caesar be putting that work in. Alright, putting that early work in. So, I gotta hop on with it. You know what I mean? So, you get it. What's up, Doc? Hope you're killing it, buddy. Murdering this market if you've been trading. So, yeah, guys, I don't plan to even open my broker till 9:15 due to the fact that I usually don't, due to the sign sitting right here, I present to you guys a lot, and some of you guys are the opposite. Some of you guys murder pre-market, but it says do not touch pre-market, and just having my brokerage open, well, sometimes, I'm like, let me take one trade. Then one turns into 3, 10, 15, trying to get myself out of an L. It's like, all right, well, I'm just not even going to open the brokerage, guys. So that's the game plan. I'm waiting till 9:15 a.m. Whenever Caesar gets in here, I'm sure he's probably, I think he is actually. I was texting him a little bit. He is printing on the day already, guys. Murdering the market already. Starting it off good, baby. Man's trades at like 3 a.m. Gets a little bit crazy. All right, let me load up. Sorry, guys. Let me load this up. Give me 1 second. That's what we're going to be using. Screw. Don't use Zoom, everyone. Use Discord. Chillin'. What is up, Charting Queen? Good morning. Hope you're killing it if you've been trading already. What is up? Yeah, buddy. So, guys, we're gonna be mostly chilling out today. I mean, it's Money Monday, guys. I don't like to force anything on Mondays due to the fact that, when you start to force things on Mondays, that's where you get a bit risky. Champion trader in the house too. Woo! What's up, buddy? Hope you're killing it. Just passed another challenge. There we go. Dude, oh my goodness. Charting Queen, how many do you have? She's like, yeah, man, I have around like 10 of them. Copy trader link to all of them. I usually make around 10K in a day. But, today we're going to be chilling out. I'm just looking to make 7. Just 7K today. Let me text Caesar real quick, guys. Oops, this is not the music I was looking for. Banger of a song. Not what I was looking for, though. There we go. Give me some electricity. Yup. She's stacking over there. Yeah, you already know. We slowly getting there, and that's what matters, yo. You just stick copy traders in between all of them and get them going. I'm with you there. I'm trying to get some of these 150s loaded up. Just so, dude, 150K accounts, bro. You have so much wiggle room. And even 250s, 50Ks. 50K you have a little bit if you're trading 1 to 2 minis. But you know, other than that, you don't have too much. Give me 1 second, guys. Woo! So chilling, baby. No trades for myself. Starting the week off, starting the month off. No trades. So guys, new month. If you guys last month maybe ended a little bit red, this month maybe focus on you know, focus on those quality trades, right? Maybe go back and review last month what those trades may have been, I guess you would say, and then focus on those setups. And if it's not those setups, don't take it, etc., etc. But it's a fresh month, baby. Woo! Brand new month, baby. I want to start 10 accounts using Trade Copier. Wish me luck. Oh yeah. Get like 150k accounts going, dude. Yeah, that is crazy. 10 accounts. I'm looking to get one 150k account, okay? And I think I'm gonna do this. I don't know. I gotta use the copy trader. I gotta check it out. Yeah, buddy. So waiting and watching, man. I gotta check out the copy trader just because I've never really used it, guys. I've never really thought about using it. When I think it would be the best idea yet, bro. You make a trade, you make like 3,000 on the trade. You're actually making what if, you know, Charting Queen makes 3,000 on 10 accounts? That's 30,000 that day, and you get your first 25k paid out. Woo! Yeah, buddy. So, ladies and gentlemen, looking to keep up the flow, keep it going. And yeah, man, I mean, hey, hopefully you guys, if you guys have taken a trade today, hopefully you guys are green to start the month off. Hopefully you guys didn't force anything. You know, pre-market is a bit slower. We just have a downtrend coming in. And I think I'm actually going to clear the drawing set for the S&P, yeah. I don't mind the S&P as of right now. Hey, good looking play. Look at that right there. Bing, bounce off that 200-day. Can't complain, bro. So yeah, buddy. What is the difference if you had 10 100k accounts or just one $1 million account? You save on fees. That is actually a really good question, Doc. If you had one $1 million account, it depends. You would have to take more size, I feel as if, to get the same results, right? So instead of going in with 2 minis on each, what is it, 2 minis on each account, you'd have to go in with 20 minis on that one account. I guess it would equivalent the same, right? You're still putting up the same fees or whatnot, so I guess that really would just equivalent, right? Early birds, what's up, Darth Trader? And yeah, anyone that's new today, guys, hey, Dex small account challenge. Woo woo! You guys already know, baby. Anyone that has that small account, anyone looking to you know, turn 2k into like 50k, deck will be live shortly, man. And that's good with it. What's good, YB and Caesar? Yeah, buddy. Hold up. Let me see. I think he's live. Hold up. There we go. Hold up. There we go. Yeah, buddy. What is deck trading? I got a little small account. I think so his game plan is he's gonna be trading options throughout the entire thing. So it's gonna be S&P options. Maybe he's gonna trade some Tesla. Maybe it's gonna be options, right? Yep. Yeah, because it's gonna be when he's been doing for the last 2 weeks is finding out which contracts move the best, which contracts have the most theta, most delta, which ones you shouldn't touch if you have a small account, which ones it doesn't matter because it doesn't affect it as much. So I do think for anyone with a small account and likes options, we do futures over this way, guys. I'll still do some reviews if you guys need it on any tickers. I usually do some penny stock reviews and everything just to see, because I was a penny stock trader and an options trader before, but really found my gold in futures. So futures this way, ladies and gentlemen. And yeah, man, I mean, just really starting to really evolving it, baby. Really getting it going. So loving it. Tesla, what? Dang, who swung puts? Oh, let's see this. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Yeah, bro. Let's see what happened here. MW Tesla delivers, what is that? No. Is this this isn't their earnings, is it? No, this isn't their earnings, correct? Sorry if I sound a little bit off today, guys. Got a little bit of a stuffy nose, a little bit of a headache, but you know what? That doesn't stop us around these parts, guys. That doesn't stop us. Alright, chilling out. Yeah, most likely SPY though, so if I were you guys, trading options is an amazing way to start it off. to start off your career, futures, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I recommend prop firms for anyone trading futures that once maybe they join TradeCaster and they're like, YB, hey, nice to meet you, by the way. We get a little crazy over here if this is your first day seeing us. All right, the energy's not too produced, but we get a little crazy this way. All right, you might see me, punch a camera. You might see me start trying to do a backflip. You might see me, I don't even know. Sometimes things just happen, get off topic a lot, it happens. But, so guys, welcome to the show, baby. Welcome to the house. All right, it gets a little crazy. Yeah, Tesla, that is insane though, guys. You guys would have just caught, what is that? Essentially almost a $10 move. Just like that. So swinging puts. I remember Taylor Trader. If you guys know Taylor Trader, I'm pretty sure he's, he's swing. I'm pretty sure. I don't know if he's still in those puts to the downside on Tesla, but I mean, he'd be printing right now, bro. Down to 240, man. Crazy, man. So just waiting. What's my dude? The scene is here. Everyone should be live. Yeah, buddy, give me 1 second, guys. Woo! So you guys already know what's happening. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to take a look at the 4 hour on Tesla to see where there would be some support for any of you traders that are looking to trade Tesla today. Really get in there. Maybe you guys want to ride this momentum to the downside if it continues. I had a little bit, I must have those two there here. We're not going to count those two. Obviously they broke. You're going to get into some support coming up. It looks to be right around probably 240. I could see. 1 wick couldn't hold below it. We go to 240 flat here. Let me actually make a marker here. 240.07, close enough. Okay, 1 wick above it. Look at that. Could not hold above, guys. Next one could not hold above. Next one could not hold above. When it did hold above, we went from 240, ladies and gentlemen, all the way up to 257 within the day, bro. That's insane. That's crazy. So we're going to look to see if it's going to be doing the opposite. Here it goes, guys. Ladies and gentlemen, Tesla, a monster to the downside, guys. So anyone trading it, anyone, printing on it. Look at that. Look at that overall market. Oh, man, bro. No pre-market trades for myself. You guys know. I can't touch it. I can't touch the pre-market. I won't do it. YB, why no pre-market trades? Guys, pre-market for me is like gambling, bro. It's like a guessing game. I feel as if pre-market is 50-50. You'll get these nice clean moves to the downside, but there's not enough volume or momentum to really keep them going, right? This has had some crazy momentum. Wait till this dies off, though. I think it's going to die off before 9:30 a.m. And, it's going to look like this again, and it's just going to be Chop City, baby. But it is driving the overall market down, guys. What about here? Let's take a look at some of these other blue chips. Let me bring this up for you guys. Here you guys go. Here's some of these other blue chips. Apple kind of sitting flat, looking a little ugly there. Tesla with this nice ripper. Nvidia coming down a little bit. QQQ's coming down a little bit. Microsoft on its downtrend. Ladies and gentlemen, all of these plays looking a little bearish, guys. Making me think, look at the bearish momentum on this day, baby. Alright, guys, so. Yep, buddy. Give me 1 second, guys. There we go. Okay. Good to go. Good to go. So just waiting on Caesar to get up in here. And then we can start the day off, guys. I might be trading the market, the open. I try not to trade like the first 5 minutes due to the fact the volume is mainly, especially on Money Monday, it's gonna be people's buy orders and sell orders coming in, or people's buy orders and sell orders coming in from the weekend that they place that they want to get filled on. And it's gonna be a bit hard. It's gonna be a bit, hard to trade it overall. I don't know. At least that's how I feel about the first 5 minutes. You have buy orders and sell orders coming in like crazy, bro. It's, you're getting it going. Oh, yeah, here you go. Here's this, that. And next thing you know, bro, okay, puts. Well, that's just a liquidity spike. That's liquidity drop from everyone placing or selling, let's say on Tesla. People that are in longs are going to probably sell out on market open. People that are in puts are probably going to hold it out and or get more puts. Or if you're thinking just shares, people that are in shorts, shorts are, probably going to hold it out and, We're gonna see. So just waiting and watching, guys. Waiting and watching. Nothing too crazy. Give me 1 second, guys. Texan Caesar here, looking to get it all riled up, getting it started. If Tesla 238 breaks, we can see 234 coming in. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Let's take a look at that 4 hour. Oh, man. 5 minutes. All right, just want to see this low here. Look at that, 234. I agree there. Charting Queen, I'm with you. I'm with you. 234 will come into play. Guys, that's going to be some sort of support. We might get a little bit of a double bottom. We're going to see. So nothing too crazy on my end. I'm seeing, I just, put city, baby. Put city, man. Tesla's a wild one, man. S&P, NQ, man, itself. I don't know, man. NQ is one of those stocks that, when I take a look at it, I don't really see too much action happening as of right now. But I do see that if S&P breaks its 200-day, we could start to really, fade flush and come right back down. So what is that, 427? What are we sitting at right now? 426. Okay. Let's go back to that daily. What is this 200-day sitting at? 425.56. 425.56, guys. Give me 1 second. 5.6, ladies and gentlemen. The 200-day is going to be at the price of right there, guys. Right there it is, ladies and gentlemen. So that's going to be the 200-day on the daily. We got to play safe. Yup, Charting Queen 100% agree. Yeah, we got to play it cautious, all right? So try trading ES. ES, I'm not against ES. ES to me just, our history is a bit baffling. It's a bit baffling. I don't mind it. It's a lot slower than NQ. And, NQ overall, when I have this chart here and this chart, it seems that all of September was pretty good, guys. I think I have the days, my green and red. Yeah, I think I did. I think I told you guys yesterday. So we were green for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That'd be 6. Overall, that'd be 5, 10, 15, 16, minus 3. So from when I started tracking, which was on the 8th, I started tracking on the 8th, on written down. Okay, guys, so I was green for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, what, 8? No. Okay, so 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 out of 16, ladies and gentlemen. So I can't complain. I started tracking on the 8th. So what would that be? 5, 10, yeah. 14 out of 16 days, ladies and gentlemen. I can't complain about that. I'm happy about that. We ended, and I'm talking about in one account or the other, whether it's my personal funded, and that's the one where I personally put my funds forward, or it's not the personal funded and it would be a prop, right? So we're talking mainly about the personal funded. So you already know, guys. Yeah, buddy. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is gonna be a day, guys. If it's a bit slower by like 10 a.m., I mean, I don't think I'm gonna call it. Oh, hold on, give me 1 second. There he is, the man.
Yo, what's up?
What's up? How you doing, man?
I'm good. You?
Pretty good. I seen that you had that nice ES trade this morning, huh?
Yeah. So I took a long on Friday, just before the close at 43.29, because I knew that the market was like, there's no way the U.S. is gonna shut down. Like the government's gonna shut down, and it's the same play year in, year out. Oh, the market, Oh, government's gonna shut down. I was like, no, it's not. So I took a long, on it, and on the Tradeovate, on the Tradeovate account, and I held it over the weekend, and I was very pleased to see that on Saturday, like I was already posting that the market was gapping up, like the Dow Jones had gapped up like 170 points, and I'm like, okay, great, like so at the 6 p.m. open, I made sure that like I was home for the 6 p.m. open
Right.
because I knew that if the Dow gapped up 150 points, ES was gonna gap up like at least 20 points or so. So I ended
Yep.
up locking in. I locked in like 24 points on that, and then I caught a couple shorts at six at like 53 down to 40 44, and then early this morning around 4 a.m. I caught another short at 43.50 down to 43.30, and now I'm in a long, right? So I started scaling in
Mm.
at 43.29, and I'm looking to add to my long side position because I think that once the New York session opens at 9:30, in the next like couple hours, we're gonna see a nice spike, possibly back up to like 43.45 on ES. For Nasdaq, we're probably gonna see a nice spike up back to like 15,000 or maybe above 15,000. So yeah, bro, like Monday's already good. I
No,
mean,
I
I
was gonna
started on
say, yeah.
Sunday.
This guy
I
is
started on,
printing, bro. Okay, well
yeah,
that's what's up, bro. I mean, I'm glad to hear that you're green printing. And traders, I don't know if you guys are new here. This is Caesar. He's killing it. He doesn't actually sleep. He is a vampire. So yeah, that is the thing about him. He's up at all given times of the night. So he's
yeah,
trading all the time. Nah.
pretty much. You already know.
Yeah, buddy. Well, that's good to hear, man. I mean, yeah, I'm glad you're green. I have no trades myself so far, but I am looking probably at the New York Open. Maybe take a little couple here and there. Nothing too
Yep.
crazy. Yeah, buddy.
Scalps.
Yeah, probably all just scalps. Nothing wild. I mean, as of right now, I'm trying to get this trade bait set up. It's being a little difficult. Oh, there she goes. Okay, now skin there. Save it.
Yeah, yeah. I was noticing that like on my actual account, like it took a minute for my chart and my active trader to load up. Like for a second, I'm like, I was about to open it up on another device.
Right.
Yeah, like what's really going on?
Yeah, right, dude. Yup, and here it goes. Yeah, it just took. I don't even know how long that was, bro. That's
Yeah,
crazy.
like almost like 5 minutes, right? I was like, yo, like I was about to like reset up the whole thing again. I'm just like, damn, don't tell me I have to set up this whole damn thing again. Like you gotta
Right.
put the charts. Ah, yeah, bro. I was like, what the hell?
Nah, yeah, I think maybe they're just a bit slower today. First day of the month, maybe they're doing some back testing or something. But we do have a lot of new traders here today. I don't know if you've seen that.
I peeped, yeah, cause was it the whole small account challenge and stuff like that? We've gotten a huge influx of traffic
Yep.
to the
Yeah.
platform. So yeah,
So getting these guys in, we got our OGs still around here as well, though.
yeah. Sir.
Got them around. So what is So I guess what's your overall thoughts on this market today, man?
Long, bro, long.
Just
Like
long?
it's a dip. Right. So because the market gapped up, right? I'm glad that it filled the gap. So like part of the reason I was shorting once I closed my long position was that gap needed to be filled. So Asia and London, they pretty much bought up the market, and now the market needed to retrace to give the New York traders or institutions an opportunity to also, get in as well.
Right.
So right now, like I'm dip buying, dip buying, dip buying. It's the same thing as I was saying last week. Like there are levels to the upside on Nasdaq that it's gonna bring Nasdaq close to 16,000, right?
Right.
So for me, there's way more upside than there is downside for the next few months. So any major retracement on Nasdaq, ES, Dow Jones, I'm a buyer. Like
Yeah,
I'm
buddy.
I'm literally pulling a Jim Cramer. Like I'm buying. The market's down 0.5%, 1%, a percent and a half. I'm buying because even if it does chop around, during the morning times, the afternoon, bro, we end up getting these nice epic reversals, bro. So it's just like,
Right.
as long as I don't over leverage my positions, and and for the most part, like, I'm only going in, like, I've only been scalping like maybe like 2 or 3 contracts at a time,
Mm.
and I'm still printing because I'm catching, on ES, I'm catching 10, 15, 20 points. On Nasdaq, I'm catching 100 point plus per scalp, so I don't necessarily have to go that heavy and whatnot. So yeah, so the most I'm probably going is like maybe 3 contracts on each pair.
Right. That's crazy. 100-point moves, 3 contracts. That's some cashito. that'll,
Yeah,
that'll
yeah.
that'll do it, bro. That's awesome, man. Yeah,
Yeah,
dude. Yeah,
so
I mean, I'm kind of with you there on the long thing. Anyways, I mean, honestly, unless there's only one thing that I would see, and that's if we break these lows on the S&P, and we really start to fall down and we really start to fall off. I don't know how long it's gonna hold up. Obviously, the 200-day I've marked. If we start to fall underneath that, but I'm a scalper, right? So I'm completely different. So it's like I'm looking to make maybe like 10, 15, 20 points, and then in and out. But yeah, I mean, I gotta try. Maybe I'll grab another prop account and I'll just start going long on that one, dude. Just trying it out.
try to hold a little bit longer, bro, because you be having some nice entries,
Yeah.
and as far as like when it comes to the risk management side, right? Because I know like normally you're going in 2 contracts a while.
Mm.
Bring it down to 1 contract a while, right? So now when you do have your ultimate position, you're not in heavy, you know what I'm saying, like 8 contracts or 10 contracts.
Right.
But then it's like, yo, as soon as you see some green, you have to take, because you are already in a massive drawdown.
Right.
And another thing you can do is, once you're green, like once you're in, because I was watching your stream last week and I saw like, like you were getting into places, and then you would be in quite a bit of a drawdown, and then you would add, it would come up, and then as soon as you got green, you would exit, but then it would just keep on going.
Yeah,
And
bro.
what I like to do when that happens is, because I've averaged down, right? I will close out the whole position in profits, but then I'll scale back in 1 contract. So
Okay.
now I can let it ride another, 40, 50 points. And if it retraces, right, to where I originally added, I can add again. And because I'm not in heavy, I can let this thing do its thing. So because I'm not going in too heavy positions, I can let it breathe, and what I'm saying, and catch these 100, 120 points, 150 points. Like,
Right.
you took you got in Nasdaq first than me. I got in at, like, I think it was like 7, like 14.7 something, and I was calling out 14.850, and the damn thing went to 14.900 plus.
Yeah, bro. That
You know what
was.
I'm saying? So I caught 100. Yeah, because I got in at, like, I think I got in like at like 14.750 something. So I caught over 100 point movement on it, and it was just like, bro, like, you're only gonna be able to do that, right, by not being in too heavy of a position.
Yeah. Yeah, I definitely. So that's another thing too. Usually, it's scalp city with the personal funded because it's my own
Yep.
money or whatnot. And then with the 150K or whatnot, that is where I do that. I'll just keep DCAing until it's like, yeah.
Yeah.
And it's like I gotta work on it. I definitely have to work on the aggressiveness. I think I'm starting to chill out a little bit more with the aggressiveness. The account, this one that I have is printing. The only reason that I didn't pass the last one was due to the fact I traded pre-market, and then that's when I made my sign, never trade pre-market, and that's how that is. So yeah, because I was up, dude. Oh my goodness, that one I was up 158 and I needed 159, right? And
Yeah.
oh my goodness, bro. I went, and it was right before I left for Florida and everything, and I was sitting there in pre-market trading it and whatnot, and I was down like 2K or whatnot, and I was like, okay, whatever, bro. Let's make it back real quick, get break even, and, hop on a plane. But then it ended up going back down to 4, and I was like, okay, you know what, dude? Screw this stuff, bro. And then I just ended up, full porting, and, so I try not to do that as much anymore, especially pre-market wise, so. No, but it's been chill, ever since. And you're right. Just holding the longs is something I gotta work on a little bit longer. Is just to, maybe not take that profit super quick, So until then,
Yeah.
chilling out. But we got about 6 minutes till this market open. Oh man, whew. Oh man, I'm a little excited. Money Monday, bro. I feel like I hope it's not slower. That's my only thing. I hope we get that momentum. All right.
We definitely get that momentum, because the news was just epic, bro. Like, literally like I Saturday, like the news came out on Saturday early in the day where it's like, oh, they came to agreement, no government shutdown, the government shutdown has been avoided.
Right.
Instantly, like when I first checked, first thing like Saturday, I think like 4 in the morning, well, yeah, like early mornings, the market had already gapped up like 40-50 points, and I'm like, oh my god, this thing's gonna gap up. Later in the day, boom, oh, they came to agreement, shit, it spiked 170 points, and then I
Right.
kept monitoring it all throughout Sunday. And Sunday it was fluctuating between 144 and 159. I'm like, all right, yeah, we're gonna get a gap up, and then pleasantly surprised, I was like, oh, my long is gonna pay out, and it did, man, over 20 something points to start the week. And it's like I really shouldn't be on right now, but I'm just like, yeah, you know what? We just gotta do a little bit of extra, man. So
Yeah,
can't
buddy.
let this pass up.
Yep. Yeah, dude. To start the week up 20 points. That is insane, man. I mean,
It's
just
over.
immediately.
Collectively, 23 points from Friday to Sunday. Then I caught a 10 point short, 43. So I'm up like on ES. I've locked in like over 50 points in the last 12 hours. Not even.
Crazy, bro.
Yeah, bro.
That is insane. I gotta, yeah. Me and that Sunday market just don't get along either. So like, hey, market hours, man. That's what I trade. Yo, you are insane. But yeah, dude, I swear too, bro. Like last night, it's like, oh, yep, thank you, and then you're already up. It's like, yeah, up like 20 points. I'm like, this guy. It's Sunday. I'm like,
Yep.
I'm
Yep.
like,
Yep. You know, we start early, man. We
yep.
start early.
Nothing wrong with it. Let's Darth Trader saying let's trade some ES today. I've been noticing ES is a beast, so different than NQ. A little slower, but you can print with just a couple contracts. I guess.
Yep.
Yeah, I guess that is true. I don't mind ES. I just feel like it is a little bit slower than NQ, but you know you can make a lot of money with just a few contracts. You know what I mean? So it's like,
Oh, absolutely. Especially the way it's been moving these days, bro.
yeah, that was my thought process behind it. So maybe I'll touch it. Maybe I'll test it out. You know, we'll see. We'll see. As long as it has some momentum to it, I'm about it. It's hard to not take hard to not take profit because you and me both go full in size right out the gate. If you scale in, you can hold. Well, I try to scale. I try to scale with like one contract, and then I'll do two, and I'll do four, and I'll do 8, and then it's like, well, oh baby, we're gonna work on it. we're working on it. All right. I'm gonna be like Caesar in no time. All right.
Yes, sir. Yeah, indeed. Damn.
So yeah, buddy, we're chilling out, waiting and watching, guys. Few more minutes here, man. 3 minutes. So no trades for myself so far, guys. If you guys are in anything, make sure to shout it out. Let me know. Let me know if you guys are in any penny stocks. You guys are trading options today. Also, let me know. Me and Caesar can go over the charts there, get it going. Yeah, buddy.
Yes, sir.
All right, man. So long today. You see Tesla?
Nah, I haven't, bro. I haven't even taken a look at them. Let's see.
Tesla.
Ooh, what a drop.
Yeah, right, dude. I know Charting Queen pointed that out off the rip. Yeah.
Okay, here we go.
Went from
In a minute.
250.
Damn, I'm gonna have to mess with this later.
Yeah, went from 250 down to 239, just like that. Darth Trader saying prob missed delivery numbers. Yeah. You know, Tesla's. I think Elon's just living life at this point.
Watch the bounds. Watch the bounds.
But then you guys are my idols. Need to catch some moves like you guys. Oh, thank you, Darth Trader. We appreciate it.
I appreciate that.
Yes. We try around here. Try our best. Charter Queen saying Tesla, I'm entering puts at 246. Oh baby. I think you're probably, yeah. I'd say that you're gonna print. I don't know. I just don't see it holding up anymore. I don't see Tesla really holding up too much due to the fact that, I mean, that drop was only pre-market, man. And come market open, other than liquidity spike, maybe that's the only thing I could see. Like right off the rip, people getting long, you know what I mean, from the weekend. But other than that, yeah, I guess we'll see with Tesla. Probably short city. I'm itching to get long on ES. You can join Caesar. Join Caesar on an ES long, man. You got it, man. Yeah, I just, ES is a really good stock. It's a really good play. I just have my limitations. I just got to transform the mindset a little bit, maybe to ES. NQ's been paying out, though. NQ's been treating me well, so I can't complain. Which one do you prefer to trade, Caesar? NQ or ES? If Buddy's here. Sent Zoom link. Oh. Hold up. Give it 1 second, guys. Hold up. Give me 1 second, ladies and gentlemen. Right before this market open, guys. There she goes. There we go. Give me 1 second. There we go. Hold on. Give me 1 second. There we go. What's up, man?
What's up? There we go. We back.
Discord not work for you?
No. I had to jump on another.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Selection.
Give me 1 second, man. There we go. Okay. Market open, baby. Let's see what's going to happen here. NQ with a nice big sell-off off the rip. ES as well. Getting a little bit of that pump down. Not going to touch it for myself just yet. Gonna wait on it. So, guys, there's your little sell-off there on ESNQ. Hopefully, I can see. I don't think it's gonna really hold out. I think it's gonna pump back up.
Nice little fake out. Here comes a NAS. Flip in. Let's go, ES. Let's go, baby. Okay with me.
Looking at the overall overall NQ as well. This chart I have up, guys, 5 tickers all combined into one. Looking good. S&P also starting to spike a little bit.
There we go. Let's go, NQ.
There it goes.
There you go. Look at the bullshit that they do. Hit me, baby. Hit me.
Order filled.
In one long. Just want to see. Just want to test the waters here. See if we get up to that 200 and break it. The top side, guys. One contract. That's it.
Come on. Get over. There we go.
All right. Baby.
Scaling out of NQ.
There it goes. There she goes, ladies and gentlemen.
Nice.
I want to see a hold above that 200. If it's going to do it.
Dirty, bro.
There it goes, ladies and gentlemen. Starting to hold above its 200 guys. I want to see that thing spike, rip a roo on us. Ladies and gentlemen. There
Overall
she goes.
target on ES is going to be 4340. Definitely looking to add.
There we go.
Let's go, baby. Oh, yes.
In NQ right now, I'm thinking about taking it shortly if it doesn't.
Order filled.
Locked up 82 on it. Nothing too terrible. I just don't trust the overall market as of this set. Oh, okay, guys. Well, just do what YB and Caesar do. Just
keep going.
hold a little bit longer.
Keep it going. Come on. Don't play with me.
So waiting and watching, guys. Locked it up, in and out, baby. Nothing too crazy. All right, Money Monday coming into play. Starting the week off with a good banger trade. Starting the month off. In and out, guys. In and out.
One more. Just got rid of one more contract on Q. I got 2 more left.
There you go. I think you get your push here. Yup, there it is.
Oh yeah, she coming, bro. She coming. My target for NQ today is 15,000.
15 flat. Okay.
15 even, but honestly, I think it might push to take out Friday's highs, which Friday's highs is 1561.
Oh my goodness.
For the week, well, at least by tomorrow, I think we could see NQ over 15130.
There you go. Okay.
There we go. Ooh, come on, baby.
Yeah, you are printing right now, bro. Oh man, dude, I'm looking okay. I'm gonna hold out. I don't want to chase off that pop, but we're gonna see.
Locking in some profits on the forex side.
There you go.
There you go. We'll lock that in.
What's up, Silverback? Hope you're killing it. Hope you're printing today, buddy. Murdering the market, getting it in. All right, so guys, I'm waiting right now. No position for myself. Took a little gain, $82, not 86. Nothing crazy on this 150K account.
Well, yes, I'm heavy biased on the long side on the markets. Few reasons. No government shutdown, and then secondly, and the most importantly, is we are going into the holiday season. Okay, historically, go back every single year after year after year, the market always runs up during the holiday season. It starts off in October, it picks up in November, and then next thing you know, in December it continues, and in December they start calling it the Santa Claus rally. Right?
Oh,
So
baby.
it's literally, for me, this is the same play year in, year out. It has not changed, and I don't expect it to change, regardless of even if the Feds do hike rates one more time this year. And to be honest, I feel that rate hike that's going to happen in November, December has already been priced in. Market.
Nice red degree move there on NQ.
How was the market open for you on Sunday? Well, you're probably sleeping, bro, at the time that it opens. Let's see. Powell speaks later today.
Let's see, man.
The market will spike some more.
Those longs are printing, bro.
Yes. I'm long NASDAQ and I'm long ES. NASDAQ, I'm looking for 15,000 even. I've already closed out 2 contracts out of my 4 contracts. I've already scaled out of my Forex side. So I'm long on Tradeovate. I'm long on Forex. All right. And I'm looking for 15,000 plus on NQ today. ES, I'm looking for 4340 plus on ES as well.
You heard it here first, folks. There you go. Overall
man.
market. Getting that spike, man. Oh my goodness.
Let's go.
So are you thinking by 4 p.m. it'll hit the 15,000 range? Or are you
I
talking?
think before that, bro. The way it's moving, we could see it hit 15,000 before the London close, and that's in what, an hour and a half.
Yeah.
Look, we've only been open for 4 minutes, and look at the movement already. It's already undoing most of the selling that it did during the London session. Yeah, bro.
Oh, yeah.
Dip by dip by dip.
That's what I'm waiting on right now. I'm thinking maybe if it holds that view up, but I don't know how critical that's gonna be. There it goes, spiking up again.
No, she out of here, bro. She said, "What's my name?"
So guys, hope you guys are printing, bro. Oh my
Mhm.
goodness.
Locking in profits on Dow Jones long. Got to mention that. And for those of you guys that are trading Forex, I'm also currently long on GBP USD and Euro USD. And for those of you guys that don't know what those are foreign currency pairs. So it's the Euro versus the US dollar, and GBP USD is the Great Britain pound sterling versus the US dollar. And because I'm expecting the markets to run up, that means the dollar will have to decrease in value, well, at the current price that it is right now, meaning it would have to do some sort of retracement. And as that happens, Euro versus the US dollar will go up. Whenever the markets are selling off, you'll see Euro USD and GBP USD fall with the markets. And when the market starts to rally and move up, those currencies will move up as well.
Order filled.
Let's go.
Got one long here. Just gonna hold it out above that VWAP area of 19. Just gonna hold it out as this thing really breaks out. Oh my goodness.
You see this 1 hour, bro? Do you see this 1 hour candle on NQ, bro?
On NQ, let me check it out.
Yo, look at this 1 hour. Full on reversal, bro.
Oh yeah.
And this shit still has another 20 something minutes to go before it closes.
Yeah.
So this might actually close at like 14,963. And yeah, bro.
That is insane, man. That is ripping, bro. That is rallying.
I just get another 60 points.
Yup, that is insane. So, ladies and gentlemen, just riding this long here, guys. Just want to see this thing hold up, see it continue. Continue to pop above that VWAP. And 200 days all the way up near 6,964. So you got a little bit of a rally. Overall market, over on Q, excuse me, is really rallying here, man. All those 5 tickers combined there, starting to really push on you. starting to really rip rally run. Oh my goodness, bro.
Let's go. Let's go.
So-
Talk to me nice, bro. Talk to me nice.
Woo! So getting that spike-a-roo, baby. Amazing day. Starting off this month great here. Just want to see this thing continue to spike, rip, and run for you guys. For you fine folk. You fine, ladies and gentlemen. On the 150K account right now, ladies and gentlemen. That is what we're trading. Wish I held now. I know, man. What's up, Spy Prop? Yeah, bro. I know, dude. Holding this thing is like, oh man, dude. I wish I was in with my personal funding too, bro. I wish I would have done both, but I didn't. I decided not to take it.
I ain't gonna say I told you, but I told you.
You might be right on that one. You might be right on that one. So, up 470 on the day, baby. Chilling out. Not gonna lock it in quite yet. Gonna let it rip and run a little bit more. We're gonna see what the overall market's gonna do here. Now, what is probably gonna be my TP? We're gonna see around 7.5. We're gonna see. Yeah, I mean, probably around. If I want to catch that little $25 move, I can. I can try and hold it out. I do think it's gonna come into play shortly here. Off of Caesar's guesstimate. I'm not completely against that there. 15,010 seems to be some top resistance there, by the way. I don't know if you've seen that at all. Some sort of resistance up there.
One damn lag.
So, ladies and gentlemen, chilling out, guys. Chilling out right now, man. You gotta love it. You gotta love it, guys. Gonna want some red to green coming into play.
So right now Nasdaq is up 72 points on the day. ES and Dow are still both negative. So I'm gonna re-add to my Dow Jones long. So I'm scaling in.
Okay.
And yeah.
Woo! So chilling out, ladies and gentlemen. Spy Prop saying deposit $100 into my live options account Friday. Got away from the setup, but gonna make slow and small profits and build account because I know I'm not taking $100 to $100,000, man. And that's good. I mean, hey, thing is, I mean, if you take $100 to $100K, Spy Prop, let me know. Let me know, buddy, because you know, woo! You'll be one of those like Twitter traders, dude. You ever see those guys over on Twitter? Like, I plan to turn $100 into $50K today. It's like, bull crap. It's like, do it live. No, man, but I know you got it, buddy. You're gonna print. At least, hey, with a $100 account, bro, you know, it depends on what play you're getting into on options. I would definitely say, you know, if you catch some like FOMC meeting and your contracts go, you know, you're in with $100 and it goes up and you know it rips and runs and now the contracts are worth 800, 900, dude. Even that's over 100% return, right? That's way over 100% return on your contracts, right? So it's like, you know. It's a print city, guys. You know, there's plenty of things you can do with options. Futures itself is also a really good market. Now with $100, I don't think you know. I would definitely just recommend buying a prop if you're gonna do that.
Yeah, 100%.
Yeah.
Well, the thing with the prop, depending on you know where you go. Like if you go with a futures prop firm, you know, you can get an evaluation under like $50, but then once you get funded, like that's where you either pay a monthly fee or you pay a lifetime fee, and the lifetime fee is actually better. It's more cost effective.
Right.
But it'll end up costing you, you know, closer to $200. So if you know someone wants to start off with option, the thing would be like try to turn that $100 into 500, right? And it's like. And then just incrementally look to increase or, you know, get 50 to 100% return on that money. Now, that being said, you're going to have to be very selective. And given the movements that we're having and the amount of volatility, it's a great time to, you know, be trying to flip small accounts because we're going to have a good amount of volume the next few months. Right. So literally from now until probably the first week of December, we're gonna have a ton of volume, and you know, and you can capitalize on that. Mm-hmm. The thing that sucks about it is like you gotta be pretty right, you know, like when you're risking $100, because certain things are going to be slightly outside of the price range. But if you can turn that 100 into 500, and then you know take half of that and go do a prop challenge, or even probably doing maybe a prop challenge that's cost you maybe 50 or 90 bucks,
Right.
which there are some, like you can do like a 5K for like $50.
Oh yeah,
And
yeah,
then
yeah. You could do on the real prop firm too. The real.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. You guys have
yeah.
that. If you want to get involved, you guys can get into the futures. Excuse me, the forex side. Which forex side for literally $50, man. And there's
Yep.
plenty of promo codes out there. Use with that. You can use Caesars. You can use mine. You can use whatever you have to do.
Yep.
Yeah, and it's like forex wise, dude. Bro, that's where you make. I know a lot of people that make a lot of money on forex. I personally haven't dove into it yet. I'm really trying to learn the whole USD, GPD, all the big ones that you need to know for trading forex, I guess you would say.
Yeah, so I mean, but even outside from forex, like pretty much almost every forex firm, like you can trade the futures, like you can trade the Dow Jones, you can trade the Nasdaq, you can trade the ES. The margin is substantially lesser. It's just the name representation of it changes. So
Right.
like if you talk to any forex person and you mention Dow Jones, they're gonna look at you like, wait, what's that?
Yep.
But then you say like US 30, and they're like, oh yeah. Oh, I trade US 30, right?
Yep.
So they don't know. So they don't know that like the Dow Jones is what US 30 really is, right? Because the best way I can explain is like the Dow Jones, Nasdaq, like what you see on a futures firm, like that's the original. And then you have these variations or these clones of it, right? That are that you're able to trade on the forex side. Now the movements are the same. The numerical value will differ because on futures we have contract rollovers, whereas on the forex side there's no contract rollover. It's just continuous. So
Right.
so we will have a fluctuation in price value, whereas with them they won't. So with anyone that wants to trade futures, but they don't necessarily like want to pay the fees for Trade Ovade or even trade it on TD Ameritrade, because TD Ameritrade, even to trade the minis, bro, is expensive. Like one mini of the Nasdaq, it's over $2,000.
Right,
Right.
bro.
Whereas on forex side, you could trade the same position, but that same position might only cost you maybe $100 or $200 in margin. So you can trade Nasdaq on the forex side, which it's known either as US 100 or NDX or NAS 100. So those are the different representations based on the different firms or brokers that you're utilizing to trade it on the forex side.
Right.
Dow Jones is known as US 30 or US 30 cash. ES is either SPX 500 or SPX or US 500.
There you go. So yeah, there you go. There you go, Spot Prob. You have a lot of options when it comes down to it. That's actually so that's good to know too. I mean, honestly, I don't trade a lot of futures. Forex or anything. I don't trade mostly any, but I do want to get into the game, as I know, as yourself, Kush, Prince as well on it. There's probably plenty of other traders that are trading using the real prop.
Forex is a $5.7 trillion a day industry.
There you go. Woo! It's a lot of money.
So when you hear people making 50, 100, 200 grand, trading a pair, it's like it's very doable when you look at the amount of
Order
money
filled.
that is in that particular industry. 5 trillion a day.
Yeah, bro. That is.
I mean,
crazy.
100,000 is the equivalence of a penny or $100 over here on the equity side.
Right? so there's a lot of money going through it. Yeah, so if you guys are interested, man, I'm pretty sure I still have it linked in the alerts tab. Right there it is. And then also I'm pretty sure Caesar can hook you up as well if you want to go.
Yeah,
through
if you
it.
guys want to, I think we're still running promo code where like you get an extra like 10% down.
Right.
If I do recommend anyone, like, do your due diligence. Like, there are other prop firms out there, but I will guarantee you that we have some of the most best and competitive rules. Plus, we have some of the lowest prices in the industry.
Yeah.
And again, you don't have to take my words for it. You can look up FTMO. You can look up true forex funds. You could look at the funded trader. There's a ton of different funding companies out there, ranging from forex to futures. On the futures, you have Apex, which is what I personally use. I recently copped a few accounts with with Take Profit Trader, and I might do Top Step, but I love Apex. Like, Apex has been good to me since February, so I'm only trying out. I'm trying out Take Profit Trader because Take Profit Trader, with them, you're able to withdraw the same day, right? Once you
true.
certain criterias, and that's nice. But at first, like, I wasn't too fond of their drawdown, like how they structure it. But it is what it is.
Yeah.
So you just gotta pick what suits you, your personality, your trading style, and and then once you decide which firm is best for you, you go for it.
Yeah, buddy. That's what matters, guys. Everyone's different. Everyone's a different trader. Everyone has different strategies. So, you find the prop firm that fits you best, dude. You're gonna print. You're gonna print once you get it down, especially when you get it down to a T, man. You get down your strategy to a T. So, I got beef with Take Profit Trader though. They
oh yeah, what they do to you?
I got beef. So I used my Cash App card because I didn't trust them, right? So I used my Cash App card, and then they I was literally like, I was halfway done with the challenge, and they stopped the challenge because I don't keep money in Cash App because it's Cash App. I only use it for like those, I guess you would say, what is it? Any type of like foreign broker or like anything I don't really know. You know what I mean? Even like walking around the daily. You know what I mean? I went to this fair this weekend. And I use my Cash App card, not my debit card, so that if they're gonna charge it, they're not gonna get nothing more than what I put into it. But they didn't let me know that my payment was coming up, that my monthly payment, and what is it? They broke the account. They just immediately terminated.
The reoccurring fee.
Right.
Yeah. See, that's one of the biggest difference between forex and actual futures prop firms, is that future prop firms, until you pass the evaluation phase, they are going to do a monthly reoccurring fee, right? Whereas on the forex side, it's a one-time fee. And the beautiful thing about forex is most of the firms, including my firm as well, once you pass the evaluation and you get funded, on your first payout, you get that initial fee that you paid for the evaluation, which is something you don't get with futures prop firms. With futures prop firms, whatever you pay is that. But once you pass and you get funded, so like when I got funded, every account that I pass and I get funded, I don't get that money back. But on forex prop firms, if I pay for a 200K account, I pass it, I get funded. The first time I get my payout, I get my profit share plus I get that initial $1,200 that I paid for that evaluation.
Right.
Yeah. So again, every firm has their pros and cons and stuff like that, and you just have to decide, which is best for you. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Well, there you go, guys. So, check it out. Check out Caesar's prop firm, the real prop funding, getting it in, baby. Yeah, buddy. Sir. So glad to hear it, man. I'm glad to hear it. I love to hear it, actually. Yeah, bro. So I'm still in these NQ longs right now. Yep. Holding it out. My game plan, I'm probably going to DCA. Down at this low. I always tend to do that. I don't know why.
She looking good.
I see that 50-day right there, guys. That's where I'm probably looking to DCA at. Near the 50-day. Just to see if we're going to get that pop back up. Obviously, the S&P started to flip the script, so I'm not going to be too biased on it.
Order filled.
All right, guys, I'm in forward to the top side here, ladies and gentlemen. Just want to see a quick little paparuski. On us. Get it in. Closing my prop account here. Up 587.50 for 23 minutes of work, man. Woo! Congratulations, Darth Trader, baby. So I'm looking to join you here shortly, man. I'm looking to join you. I'm filled at 921. 921. Where would that be at? Literally a little bit below that 50-day. Okay, excuse me, VWAP. I like it. I need this to hold up, though. If it breaks here on the overall market, overall NQ, to the top side, guys, print city, ladies and gentlemen. Print city, guys. Getting that little Paparoo. Just need one Spike-a-Rooski to come into play. Starting to get there a little bit. Starting to break that trend line to the downside, guys. That little downtrend that was forming. Starting to break it. Want to see it above that view up, ladies and gentlemen. And then same thing. Oh. I want to see that break, guys. You guys see that? See where I have labeled out? Ladies and gentlemen, just waiting and watching, guys. Starting to break it a little bit to the top side, guys. Finger on the trigger. Okay, that is not what I was looking for. Want to see that continue to Paparoo, spike. Continue to spike to the top side. Fill that out, baby. How you feeling, Caesar? Sorry, man. I'm screaming at you. Oh, Caesar. Don't like calls at that. Yeah, I'm probably gonna, what would that be? Join the ask. As long as it breaks this to the top side, guys, breaks above you up, I'm not against it. 300. Depends on what it wants to do here, guys. We're starting to break that to the top side, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, there she goes. There she is, guys. Starting to spike on you. Starting to get that fill, baby. Woo! So hopefully you guys are printing right now if you're in the long, ladies and gentlemen. I DCA'd in at that bottom, so I cannot complain. Gonna let this one run up. Diamond hands, baby.
Order filled.
Top filled. 705 on it. I'll take it. Woo! I will take it, baby. Caesar, how you doing, man? Oh, Buddy is Buddy's doing his thing. So Rex saying nice job, diamond hands. Yeah, buddy. Thank you, guys. I appreciate it.
Yeah, can you hear me?
What's up?
Oh, yeah, now I had my mic off. Now saying that we have economic data coming out in 5 minutes. ISM manufacturing.
Oh, there we go. Okay.
That data's coming out in 5 minutes. Well, 3 now.
Yep.
And then in 1 hour and 3 minutes, we have Fed Chair Powell speaking. So you know what he about to do? He about to run this market up. So I think we might see 130 today.
Woo. Okay. I didn't even know he was speaking. It doesn't have it on the calendar. Does he speak publicly?
So where I keep track of my economic data is through my it's called My FX Book.
Okay. FX Book.
So My FX Book, like I see I see everything ranging from low to medium to high impact data being released on every country, ranging from South America all the way to Russia and Asia.
Oh, there you go. Oh, and it shows you, it says what the impact is going to look like too, right?
Yeah, so high, so whenever you see like something with the red that says high, that means that's a market moving data that's going to be released. And as you can see, they have Fed Chair Powell as red, because anytime this man speaks, we already know.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, he moves the market.
He's gone, bro.
And you can see like what's on the calendar for this whole week. So there's today, tomorrow, and then you can do the rest of the week. Like tomorrow we have some high impact data for Australia. Then we have CPI for Swiss, unemployment for Spain. That doesn't really affect us anyways. Portugal. Then we have another Fed speech tomorrow. Then we have the JOLTS jobs opening tomorrow. Bank service. Yeah, like this tells you everything. So this is my go-to to keep up with what's going on around the like what country is going to release whatever specific data. And some countries based on their economy and relationship will have a greater effect to the US than others, and usually those ones it's China and it's the European Union. Everything else doesn't really affect us. Japan a little bit, but not that much.
Yeah. Well, that's good to know. Okay. So get prepared basically in about 2 minutes for some movement. What is it? Silverback and Darth Vader are both saying that the PMI news will move the market. So, oh baby. And then Chair Powell speaking. I feel as if that you're kind of right on that one. That one's gonna be that's gonna be a bit different. That guy, dude, I don't even know. Do you think he ever uses like rat holes, bro? To like when he knows he's about to say something that's gonna drop the market. Think about it.
Oh,
Chair pal.
bro, I don't trust these feds, man. All I gotta say to this is during the pandemic, before the government quote unquote started buying asset classes, they were already in. They bought those asset classes before the government because they knew what they were going to be putting the quote unquote government's money into. So that just I'll just leave it at that.
Right, you're right.
And if anyone wants any other validation, look at Nancy Pelosi.
Yeah, bro. She's yeah, I got no comment on her either. I mean,
Yeah,
you know.
they insider trader of the decade.
Yeah, bro. And the fact that she's still allowed to be a you know, I guess you'd say high-ranking politician. You know what I mean?
Bro, she's trying to run again.
Yeah, that really? And they're
Yeah.
gonna allow her. That's where it gets me. Is that they're gonna allow her to run again. You know what I mean? That is crazy, man. I don't know. I got my opinions on these people. 10 a.m. news though.
Oh, adding.
Yeah, I'm actually I'm thinking about getting one long here on NQ.
ISM report. She's gonna fly. Fly, baby. Fly.
Woo!
Order filled.
Just jumping on the long side, one contract, nothing crazy.
Oh, gimme.
There it goes,
Gimme.
ladies and gentlemen.
Gimme.
So waiting and watching to see if we're gonna get that another push. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. Overall NQ getting that push.
Incoming. 15K incoming. 15K incoming.
Oh baby.
15K incoming. Oh, talk to me nice.
There it goes, dude. You're so close to it. So close to it. I think. Okay, wait. ISM. Wait. Did it come out as?
You want to know what did it come out as? Positive or negative?
Yeah.
Tell you.
All right.
ISM came out positive.
Positive. Okay.
The concession was 47.8. The previous was 47.6, and the actual was 49.
Oh, there you go. That's why you got that big pop. There you go.
Okay. 58 minutes till Jerome Powell speaks.
So it gave that little bit of a market pop there. It's starting to come back up. Oh, overall market, overall NQ starting to pop back up.
Yeah, bro, watch this drop, watch this pop.
Caesar's like, bro, just watch, just wait and watch.
Just wait, bro. I'm telling you, man. Like, I like there be days, bro. Like I know with certainty, like the direction, but I don't want to come off like, oh yeah, like I know exactly what the market's gonna do. But I'm telling you, I'm like, yo, we're gonna, Powell comes out and he speaks. We're gonna go over 15K. We may even see. Now I'm thinking we may even see 15,200 today.
15,200.
Yeah, bro. Because like on days where the Fed speak or where like we have interest rates, NASDAQ will drop or pop somewhere between 300 and 350 points. So right now we're NASDAQ is currently trading at 14,972. That's only 106 points positive on the day. This means we have another 250 points that we can go to the upside today. Where does that bring it? You add 250 points to it, we're over 15,150 on the day.
Yeah, buddy, that's good. There we go. That's what I love to see, man. So yeah, I also did just enter a long on my my personal funded. Waiting for that pop to see if we're gonna get 15,000 really quick. Waiting on that pop to see if we're gonna get 15K real quick. So close to it.
She's coming. Give it to me.
I want to see that green hold up here, ladies and gentlemen. I want to see that red to green move happen. There she goes. Starting to get that red to green pop here on the overall market in NQ. There she goes, starting to get that pop.
That's what I'm talking about, bruh. Let's go.
There we go, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, guys.
Let's go. 15 points away. Oh, come on. Give it to me. Bruh. I can just laugh, man. That's all I'm doing. Just laugh.
There it goes, ladies and gentlemen. Starting to get that pop. Starting to get that ripperoo. Starting to get that run up, guys. Ladies and gentlemen, cannot complain about this. Caesar the man knows what he's talking about here.
Order
10
filled.
points. 10 points away, bro. 10 points away.
Locked it up on one, just in case. Just in case. That was my personal, but I'm still in on my prop, just in case.
Let's go.
So I can't complain.
Let's go.
My paper
Tell him.
hands.
Tell
Let's
him,
see
man.
it. Let's
Tell
see
him.
it.
Talk to me.
Woo! Would you sell at 15K, Craig saying? Yes, at 15,000 flat is when you're going to take some of that profit. If it starts to hold above it, that's going to be different. Then you can, continue to hold if you want. Caesar, the market maker over there, Caesar saying we're going to get those highs of, and look at the overall NQ right here, guys, starting to spike even more.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're going to see upwards of, you can see upwards of 15,200, 15,100. We got JP speaking in less than an hour, right?
Yeah.
So
We're gonna see 15. We're gonna end up seeing 15,130 today. Above that today.
yeah, buddy.
Now, granted, as long as it holds over 15K, yeah. And this movement on a higher time frame is just gonna validate my thesis on that upward trajectory. Because again, looking at a 1 hour, right? So again, if you look at a 1 hour time frame, the previous 1 hour candle, which was from 9 to 10 a.m., that was a bullish engulfing candle. That candle ate up 3 previous red sell candles. Now we have another continuation. Once we have a solid close over 15K, bro, I promise you, any dip that this thing pulls down to is just buy.
Yep.
And in the next 2 months, you're gonna see Nasdaq over 15,800. It might do that. It might do all of that this month.
Well,
Right.
I'm not against. I mean, hey man. I mean, I'm listening. I'm just oh baby, that's gonna be crazy. That's gonna 15,800. I'm
so-
listening to that. I mean, I guess we will definitely see. I don't see any reason for it to not get up to those new highs, right? I
Nope.
mean, honestly, right now we did not shut down, which was the biggest thing I was kind of concerned about. I mean, imagine a government shutdown, bro. I don't even know what that would be like right now, bro.
Bro, what that would say across the globe, like everything is optics, right, and appearances. And for the U.S., like people have to think of it on a logical point. Like for people that are not like really big on politics, the best way I can describe it is this. I'm sure most people have social media, right? And we see these people on social media, doing that whole clout chasing, right? Or like they're projecting this image that they're the man or they're the woman, they're the boss babe or this or whatever, right? Now, majority of these people, they end up going broke trying to keep up with that image because anything less than that, right? It just sends a bad message like, oh, you no longer got it. You ain't the it person.
Right.
So America has been the it person for quite some time. For them to allow a shutdown will be like, yo, there's massive instability within your house. And you're also the world reserve currency. So at no point will they ever allow the government to shut down and send a message that the government is weak.
Yup.
Right? Because essentially that's what it's going to be viewed as. You're weak. You don't got your shit together. Right? So I knew this, and like I was telling people prior to like me being off Thursday and Friday, is that this is the same thing that the market does year in and year out. And as you guys start participating in the markets more and you actually journal, right? Journaling is a huge thing where you actually track what is happening, like the date that stuff happens, memorize it. Now, if you're not able to memorize it, write it down on something that you constantly can have access to, whether you're at your desk or not, or if you're traveling or whatever.
Right.
But memorizing these things will help you to better prepare to exploit these opportunities. Friday, we had massive volatility. I mean, the market ran up to, specifically ES, it ran up to like 43.70, pulled all the way back down to sub 43.20, then back up to 43.50, 60s, and it's just like these types of movements, dude. Like I don't know, for a scalper, bro, and a day trader, like it's just it's candy, bro. It's straight up candy.
That's how it is. I mean, dude, these moves are honestly like they print, bro. Like I mean, I can't even get enough of them. I don't know. I just like movement in the market. I don't care if we're going up. I don't care if we're going down, right? I'm just like, bro, give me movement as a scalper. Obviously, long-term trader, I want to see it, go up. Obviously,
Oh,
yes.
yes, ZL. Oh, yo, you see ZL?
Wait, what? What's going on? Oh, crap. Hold up.
Oh, man, I'm over here underwater holding this freaking soybean, and this thing just popped, and I'm looking at my P&L. I'm like, oh shit, like what happened?
That is crazy, bro. What'd you get in at? What's your fill price?
Oh, I've been holding this since last week, bro. I've been holding it since
This
last
guy,
week from
bro.
57.82, and I just been patiently waiting to add. I still haven't add, but yeah, I'm just gonna let this one contract ride out
Right.
and whatever, and then make a withdrawal at the end of the week,
Yep.
and then start the process again for this month. I'm hella positive on the month of September and starting
October.
October properly. There we
There
go.
you go, bro. That's what matters. Yeah, man. I mean, yeah, I'm more or less, I'm happy with the gains already on the day. I'm just waiting for that 1,500 point to come in. I mean, I'm really with you on it. I do think we're gonna hit it, especially when JP starts to speak. People just get excited. Oops. Oh man, we gotta hold up. I forgot Zoom does this, guys. Zoom does this. What is up, Forbes? Just reading that now. Hey, what's up, buddy? Hope you're printing today. Hope you're killing this market, man. Hold up. I forgot Zoom is a I hate Zoom, bro. I can't stand Zoom, dog. So we're waiting on this. I'm waiting on this real quick to pop right back up. Looking to get filled there. Excuse me, not filled. Looking for it to bounce back up. Let me get Zoom up, guys. Sorry, we lost Caesar. We lost Caesar here. I forgot these meetings don't last that long. All right, guys. I almost want to get a DCA down here. It's like YB. Whoa, why are you DCAing, buddy? It's like trust. Alright. I almost want to wait for a view up to come in. We're not that far off my point. I'm filled at 9.58, so like less than $10. Hold on. Give me 1 second, guys. Oh crap, I can't. Oh crap, hold up. Oh, there it is. Okay, C's already got it. Hold up, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, there's that pop we're looking at. I think we're good to go. Hold up. Let everything load up. Let it all load up. Bring it up to trading Zoom. Wait. Give me 1 second, guys. Give me 1 second, ladies and gentlemen. There we go. Join with you through audio. There we go.
There we go. Yes.
What's up, brother?
Beautiful. Mm-hmm.
So coming right back up, I was thinking about DCAing at that low there, and I did not, but I mean, I'm back to the green side, starting to break that little downtrend, so I want to see this thing pop back up to what would be 975, 1500 area. Yeah, buddy. So hope you are killing it. So what is it? Now I just need to follow. So wait, what's it's good. Third video got like almost 6K views. I got my 3 vids for today already in my drafts. There you go. There you go. So Forbes is printing on the TikTok side. Forbes, what kind of videos are you posting there, buddy? Are you posting like trading content? Let me know. Let me know. We're waiting on a Spikeroo to come into play here. What's up, man? Hope you're killing it. Oh, Darth Trader asked, what's the profit per tick on ZL, by the way?
On ZL, $6. So on ZL, one contract, one full move, is gonna pay you $600.
Oh, there you go. There you go. Oh, damn, that's crazy.
So right now it's trading at 56.66. So from 56.66 to 57.66, it would pay you $600.
There you go.
And the margin for it is like super low. It's like 3,000.
Right. So you don't even have to have a crazy amount of margin to make it, a decent amount.
No, sir.
That's good. That's good to hear. So there you guys go, ladies and gentlemen. If you guys are interested, you guys can get paid out there. I'm gonna DCA almost at these lows. I want to. Yeah.
Order filled.
I'm in 2 contracts to the long side on NQ for that Paparoo baby. Seeing if we're gonna get back above 7.5 and up to 1,500 finally. The market might be a bit slower until I say JP will speak, but yeah. 513. Deck, will you be uploading only? Okay.
About to start acting like a D-gen and start making some bets. Like, yo, who wants to bet?
Yeah, buddy. Yeah, dude.
I don't think there'd be many people that would take that bet against me.
No. I think personally, from trading with you, I think I'm okay. I think I'm good on that one. Yeah, the head-to-head, bro. I by head-to-head, I meant yeah, I'll make a quick band. You make a quick 15.
Yeah, something along those lines. But I definitely wanna like do the head-to-head. Was like, yo, like we just, like that friendly competition, it'll help improve as far as like the holding, you know what I'm saying, like, and being challenged, like, yo, can you hold a little bit longer, or just maybe improving the scaling in, right? Because when you scale in not as heavy, like I said earlier, you give yourself a lot more time
Order
to
filled.
let the trade work out, you know what I mean? Because we've seen it time and time again, like these type of manipulation, the back and forth, the choppiness, and at some point it's like, yo, if it starts getting to that threshold, it's like, yo, I'm gonna have to cut it and just come back another day or later on. You'll have to take that unnecessary loss.
I'm with you there. I'm with you. No, yeah, I definitely think yeah, the DCAing is something I gotta work on. But to be fair, I did just DCA in on 2 more contracts. So we're working on it. We're working on it. It's a oh, there we go, ladies and gentlemen, getting that poparoo, guys. NQ getting that little pop, getting that nice big pop. Want to see it break that trend line to the top side and spike back up to 7.5, guys. Starting to break that trend line. Starting to break that trend line, ladies and gentlemen. Cannot complain, baby. Cannot complain, bro. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see that green come in.
All right, so I'm being asked what are my thoughts on gold. So right now I'm sharing the gold daily chart, and gold has broken below an area that I was expecting it to bounce.
Right.
The next area, which was 1864.7, so 1864, where I would definitely like to take a long on gold would be if it comes down to 1816.4, or if we can have a daily or 4-hour candle close above 1864. So until that happens, I'm not going to be trading gold.
There you go.
And I don't want to short it here because it's been selling off for over a week, and it could do a reversal at any given moment, especially seeing that it's oversold on the daily time frame. It's oversold on the it's massively oversold on the 4-hour. Now you can trade a micro of gold. So gold does have a micro. It's MGC, and if you wanted this wouldn't be a bad area to start scaling in, especially because on one micro, every 1 point movement is $10. So if you were to risk, or look to add down to from 1845 down to 1816, you would just have to do like a cost average, and essentially you're probably risking about what?
There you go.
About 30 points. So you'd be risking about $30, and then once it hits that level, you could add, which then would lower your cost average from 1846 to like probably maybe like 1830 or even 1826, and then from there just try to ride this back up. So that's if you wanted to swing. But if you want to day trade, go to a 15 and a 5-minute time frame and start to watch for either support levels that it's creating, or maybe a break of structure, right? So for me, until this breaks structure on a 1-hour or 30-minute time frame, I'm not taking the longs, and I'm not quite interested in taking shorts because it's fallen too much. So I hope that answers your question.
Yeah, buddy. So there you go, man. There you guys are. Gold, gold, gold. Camus saying, where is the chart Caesar is talking about?
You can see it on my stream. So you guys are
Yeah, you guys pop on. Hold on.
Yeah, because you guys can hear me, like you guys are hearing me because we're me and yeah buddy, we're on Zoom stream.
Yeah,
But
buddy.
if you want to see my chart, matter of fact, I don't know, I don't know if you can share it. No, you would have to add it to OBS and all that stuff. So
There you go.
yeah, if you wanted to see the chart that I'm talking about, you would have to tap into my stream. I'll post a picture of it real quick. But matter of fact, I'll do this. Let me go to gold. Y'all about to make me do some work.
Uh-huh.
Large, daily, and I'm gonna post it in your room. Just give me a second.
Oh.
Yeah.
Sorry, you should have just seen what I was doing to you on your face cam.
Huh?
If you look on my stream, it's you live. But
Oh, word. So I don't have to do it. All right, cool. So I'll cancel this. All right, I'll cancel it. So yeah, so right here. So this is the daily time frame, right? So here was a level that gold needed to respect in order to continue up. It didn't. Pulled back. It needed to hold above this level. It hasn't. The next level is down here. Overall, gold is still in an uptrend, right? So all of this pullback that it's doing, it's a healthy retracement in order for it to continue higher. And given the the things that I'm seeing that may happen next year, gold is a good buy both physically or even as a long-term swing. Now, for those of you guys that do options, you guys can trade JNUG and Nugget. Those are the two gold ETFs. And at any point, if on the equity side you want to short gold, you would short JDust, which is the introverse of JNUG and Nugget. And you can also do option plays on those as well, puts or calls or whatever. If you're expecting it to drop, you can sell a put and collect the premium. There's a lot of different ways. I'm not even going to get into options because that's just another thing. But yeah, so this is what I'm looking at. I would like for it to come down here, hold, start scaling it long, or I want to see it get back above this. So for now, I'm not touching gold. Now, if you have a different strategy that you want to use and go for it, hey, by all means, just be ready for whatever outcome. I will say though, gold is down over, it was down over 20 points on a day. And you just look at it's been selling off ever since 1970, right? So it's reached a point oversold on multiple time frames where a reversal is due. So maybe we get a bounce back up to 1864 and then continue down, or we get above and we head back up. So personally, I don't want to touch it here because I have better movers like ES and NASDAQ, so I'll leave gold alone.
yeah, buddy. C's are there for you. There you guys go. So printing. Yeah, I think I've traded gold. What is that? CG or CL?
CG.
CG, yeah.
CG. CL is oil.
Right. I think I've traded gold like once or twice. I'm not gonna lie, and nothing wrong with it. It's a bit of a different mover than what I'm used to.
Mhm.
You know what I mean? But some people obviously, people trade soybeans and make a living off it. So you know what I mean?
Yeah,
It's
bro. Soybean, coffee, sugar, orange juice. Like, there's so many different things you can trade.
Right.
There's pork, which is HE.
Just pork.
There's live cattle, which is beef. So beef is actually up today.
Beef.
Pork is actually, it's, how did it sell off last week?
That is insane. That you can imagine being like, you go to buy a cow, and it's like, oh, well, the market's up right now, baby. It's like you have to pay a little bit extra. It's like, what are you talking about? It's
Yep, all supply and demand when it comes to those.
right. It's like the market's up. You check the chart, the stock chart. Oh man, oh, you're paying an arm and a leg today, baby. It's like,
Yeah, and they're considered like low floats. So, and they're at like live cattle and lean hog. They're actually relatively easy to manipulate.
really?
Mm-hmm. Bro, a few years back, I think it was 2017. Or was it 16? No, I think it was 2017. I got caught in a squeeze. So you know how in when it comes to like equities, like when an equity goes a certain movement, it gets halted, right?
Yeah.
Like because the limit's up.
Mhm.
So the commodities in the futures market also has a limit up and limit down. So for LE and HE, the limit up and limit down is 3 points. So if it hits 3 points by, let's say, in the next, I don't know, 10 minutes, it'll pretty much stay there until the close at 2 p.m. Then it starts up again tomorrow. So what happened in 2017? I was going to Cuba with a couple of friends, and I got caught in the squeeze because I was expecting this thing to drop, but there was a firm in Chicago that was manipulating the price,
Right.
and they ran this thing up, bro. Like, I want to say 30 something points for like a week straight. It was just limiting up, limiting up, limiting up, limiting up, to the point where, like, because I was so stubborn, I didn't want to take the loss. I ended up having to add money to my trading account because every other day I was getting a margin call, and I kept adding.
Man.
And so I ended up going on vacation, having like a floating drawdown of like 36,000. And when I came back, I ended up getting out of the trade roughly about 10K profit, but it was just a stupid trade, because if I would have just taken the $1,200 loss, flipped my position, I would have made 60,000 on the way up and then another 60,000 on the way down, because I was down 30 something plus K. So that means when I got out for a 10K profit, it means it came down to where I was back to break even, and then I made an extra 10K on that. So that was a over 40,000 fluctuation.
Yeah.
And bro, and I was just like, after that, I was like, yo, never again, bro. Like, yeah, it was just stupid. So
I bet it ruined the vacation.
Those are some
too.
of the things that, happens when, we're stubborn and we don't respect our stop loss. At least I can say for myself. I can't speak for everyone, but like, I've had moments where like I've been really stubborn on like taking a small loss, because I'm like, yo, I know this is gonna happen. It's like, okay, well, it may happen, but just not right now.
Yeah, right.
So right now I'm wrong, right? And yeah, bro, and my friends were like, yo, you're crazy, dude. It's like, who the hell goes on vacation having like an open position that you're down, 30 something racks? Like, that's somebody's yearly salary.
Right? Do they trade as well?
Yeah, oh yeah, a few of them trade with me, yeah.
Oh, okay. I was gonna say, bro, like, cause some people don't even understand that. They're gonna think you're down. You said, how much are you losing right now? Some people would literally be like, beyond. I mean, even I'm so like, damn, like, damn, bro. Like, that is bro. That's a hefty penny. I bet it ruined. Did it ruin the vacation, or were you kind of like?
Nah, bro. I had a good time, bro.
Oh, okay.
I was chilling, bro. I was chilling. Like, I was chilling. I had a good time. Like, the Cuban people were like mad nice.
Right.
We was hitting the beach. We was having a good time, bro. Lounges, clubs. Like, it was a good time, bro. I was chilling. Like, I made sure that, like, if the worst case scenario happened, like, if it limit up like another 3 or 5 times, like, I had enough money in there to sustain it.
Right.
And yeah, bro, and we just dipped, man. I was having a good ass time, bro.
There you go.
Like, you would have met, like, the way I was, you would have never thought like I was down that much.
Right. Until people be like, yo, bro, or you're like drunk or something. Yo, I'm down 30K right now. It's like, what? It's like, Caesar, what? It's like, what'd you just say?
Yeah,
that's insane. Well, hey, you came out profitable though. Came out with 10K.
Yeah, but I was pissed, bro. Like, I was
Yeah.
mad. I was just like, I was like, what the hell was I thinking, man? And then, like, when I did the numbers, I'm like, I was like, I could have just taken the $1,200 loss, flipped, made 30 something on the way up, made another something. So I'm like, I could have made almost 100K in that 3-week time span.
Yep.
I was tight, man. I was like, even though I walked away profitable, I was just like, yo, this was just a shit trade. I'm like, ugh, never again.
Yeah, it definitely gets us sometimes. There's certain trades, especially for me in pre-market, that's really it. It's pre-market trades, and especially when I used to trade options, bro. And you know how, I mean, I don't know if you ever, you've dabbled in options, right?
No, I've traded, bro. I've traded options as well. I just hate the unfairness when it comes to retail traders versus institutions.
Right.
Because institutions, they're able to get out pre-market. They're able to get out in the early mornings through the dark, and we're not able to. And I used to make some nice returns, especially during the earnings seasons, bro. Like, I loved trading options during the earnings seasons. And sometimes, like, when I see, something that's $100 or $200 and it's really, it's broken to where it's starting to head down, I'll buy some puts. And like, when I bro, when I trade options, let's just say when I trade options, my win rate is like 98%.
Right. Okay. There you go.
98%. So like I don't trade it all the time, but when I do, yo, it's hitting.
Yeah.
Right. And I used to get mad because I'm just like, yo, like when you read the parameters of options, like you cannot trade options until 9:30. It's from 9:30 to 3:59 p.m.
Yep.
So it's like, how the hell is this shit trading at 6 in the morning, 5 in the morning? And it's just like, yo, institutions are able to get out and we can't. And that level of control and fairness, I was just like, yo, the hell with it. Like,
Yeah, bro, get me out.
Good.
Right.
And that's what actually got me into futures, because I started with penny stocks. I don't really like to short penny stocks. I was never really a big fan of shorting, because I always classified myself as a bull trader.
Right. Okay.
I like to buy. I
Right.
don't like to but I'm really good at spotting the reversals. But I would just never capitalize on them. And then I'm just like, damn, I know it's gonna come here. I spot it, and then I'll just sit there, wait for it to come to the buy area, and then I buy, and then I write it up. And then I'm just like, and then I thought to myself, I'm like, yo, like I should just start writing this thing down and write it back up. So now I'm making double the money.
Yep.
So that's when I started doing that, and then I went into options, and then from options I went into futures, and after that I was just like, yeah, bro. I was like, once I got really good with futures,
It was raps.
what's the point?
Right,
I'm like,
right.
I can trade this at any given time of the day, and most people don't notice, like, you can trade the actual future contracts, but you can also trade the futures options. So at least on TD Ameritrade, I can trade the options of NQ. I can trade the options on ES. I can trade options on GC, which is gold. I can trade options on natural gas, on oil. The only one that TD does not allow options for is Dow Jones, YM, which I don't understand why, but it is what it is.
Right. Well, that's what's up, man. Yeah, no, and I'm glad you you switched over, and I mean, yeah, I used to trade options back in the day, like a lot, and the main thing that really ate me up is the fact that scalping options is a whole nother world than like scalping futures, right?
Oh,
it's
yeah.
like, yeah, bro, you gotta worry, okay, the second you get in, you gotta worry about the spread on the contract. Okay, you're instantly down $20 or however much the spread is. Okay, then you gotta worry if you're trying to hold it a little bit longer, if it's same day expiration, now you got theta eating it. It's like, okay, maybe the
I was
delta,
just about to say that you got the data, you got the vortex, like
Yup,
there's
bro,
so many other things that comes into it, and then the whole time decay.
Yes.
And it's just like, you don't have time decay in futures. Like, you can literally hold the contract. Well, not futures, options, because people get it confused when you say futures contracts. They automatically associate that with options.
Right.
And it's like, no, like the actual futures contracts is the equivalence of you buying a share of a stock, right? Because when it comes to equities, you have the shares and then you have the option contracts, right?
Yep.
They're two separate things, but they come from that particular from that equity.
Yep.
When it comes to futures, the actual futures contracts is the equivalence of you purchasing shares, and then when you trade the options of NQ or the options of ES, now you're actually like in the options realm, if that
Right.
makes sense.
Yeah, no, that does, yeah. Because, I mean, it's two different ball games. I mean, they try and act like, you can try and perceive it as the same ball game, but it is two completely different things. Trading the, I guess you'd say the future options on TD is completely different than loading up, like, I don't know, like a 10K account on, like, Tradeovate and just trading the actual futures, like E-minis, right? So it's like, so yeah, buddy. So there we go, man. And, hold on, let me read some of these old crap. What is it? AK, hope you guys killed it today. Trade every alert challenge update. 5 trades, 5 wins. FEME, FEMY, Tesla, Meta. $2,200 on the day. Congratulations, good old AK, baby. That's enough to, that's enough to get that Ferrari, baby. You do that every day, all right? So, yeah, you're coming, baby. What is it? Dawes Trader saying, CZ, are you still in ES Long?
Yes. Hold on, what was that?
Are you still in the ES Long? Or are you done and out? He's asked that at 10:20. I'm a little bit late. That was about like 10 minutes ago, but.
Oh yeah, no, I just repositioned myself in ES, so I just relonged at 43.20. It ended up coming up to where I was slightly in profits. I took the profits because I know we're gonna end up doing another pullback.
Right.
And I just repositioned myself at 43.20, and now I'm gonna let this ride. If it comes down to, let's say, 43.10, after the position, but as I said, I'm expecting the market to continue higher, so I'm just gonna dip buy.
There you go. So there you go, Darth Trader. Nice good old dip buy coming into play. Yeah, what is it? NQ now pushed down to 14,900. How long until JP speaks now? How long do we got? What is that? 25 minutes? Is that what this says? Hold on. Give me 1 second. I think so. Something like that. 11. Okay, it's at 11 a.m. guys. So JP speaks at 11 a.m. ladies and gentlemen. So you guys can definitely check that out. Keep it going, baby. Yo, YB, what's up, Ryan? Hope you're killing it, buddy. Murder in the market. Getting it in, baby. You guys already know. AK saying Tesla overall today. Trendline cracks on high watch under 248 down to view up, under view up down to 244. Yeah, even Charting Queen was saying that about Tesla. Tesla, man, look at that dumperoo, baby. And then you can place your trend line. You can place it near the view up, or you can actually just place it here. I want to touch that last point there, but we're gonna do something like that right there. We'll go with it. If it breaks that view up, ladies and gentlemen, yup, that is where I would see Tesla starting to really fall off, which I think could affect. Look at what happened here. Let's go to the overall NQ market. Look what happened, guys. See this selling off at the exact same time of around what is it? Right around the time that Tesla fell off. So it's gonna start to affect the overall NQ as well, ladies and gentlemen, if it starts to fall off. You know, because the rest of these stocks aren't really moving too much. Not doing anything too crazy. So we're gonna see. Yeah, buddy, one trade so far for me. S&P downtrend, upward view up, 9% gain. Round of applause for me though, baby. Woo! Getting it in 6 green days in a row, man. Starting off the month banging, baby. There you go, man. So love to hear it, bro. That's what I love to hear. All right, you're getting it in. All right. Anyone over on YouTube.com as well, guys. It's never too late to come to TradeCaster, baby. The sale is finally over, but you know, I'm gonna check in with Dex, see how he's doing on the small account challenge, and yeah, see how it's going, ladies and gentlemen. See, you know, it's a bit hard to trade with you know, $2,000 account when you're used to trading with, like, you know, a larger account, obviously, because he's worked for it. So we're gonna see how he's performing with it, man. I give him props. I do give him props. Taking out his time, taking out his money to you know, make some banging trades for you guys, making you guys hopefully get those accounts up there, man. So chilling out, ladies and gentlemen. So the profit on the day is gonna be 1,300 in the 50K account. I mean, excuse me, 150K account, and then we're gonna go to the personal funded, which is 234. So yeah, buddy, chilling, guys. Chilling. Yeah, buddy. So I'm kind of happy where we're at. I'm gonna wait till JP speaks. I don't think Sean traded. Oh, okay. He might not have traded. And that's sometimes is just what you got to do. No trades yet over here. No trades for Ryan? All right. Yup. And sometimes that's just what you got to do, guys. Sometimes, man, you just don't trade. It's if the market's not going to be there, you just don't trade. I know Caesar can agree.
Oh, absolutely. 100%, bro. Like, there's been times that I'll probably say, like, I've probably gone, like, weeks, at least a week, where, like, I didn't execute a simple trade because I just didn't like the conditions,
Right.
or it just wasn't my setup, or conditions were just not in my favor. So I was just like, I'll just not trade.
Well, you save, and especially, you know, I think traders, a lot of new traders think this as well. It's like, oh, I have to trade. It's like, well, if you lose money, I mean, you know, it would have just been better to save your capital. You know, especially if you do have a small account, and you know you're trading, let's say shares or something. Let's say you have like a 2K account, and you're doing with Deck, and you guys are trying out options or something. And let's say he didn't take any trades today. Well, you're like, well, I'm gonna take a trade. You know what I mean? It's like, well, the thing when it comes down to it is there's probably a reason why he didn't take a trade, right? Obviously, NQ, ES, you know, the things we trade are a little bit different than, you know, the overall, I guess you would say Tesla, you know, Nvidia, Google, whatever it may be, right? So, you know, where we would find trades, he might not be able to punch one in yet. So it's like, if you guys do have a small account, or even if you guys don't, if you guys have, you know, massive accounts, we're talking like $1 million accounts, or even hundreds of thousands of dollars, or just a margin, 25K, you know, you guys all know that, you know, sometimes not trading saves yourself, bro. And like I can definitely relate in some ways. I think what's up?
One of my favorite sayings is, not making money is better than losing money.
Right.
And you know, I myself, I went through that phase where, like, I felt like I needed to trade every day, right? Especially when you start doing this full time, it's like, shit, you gotta print money every day.
Right.
And those days that I would try to force trades, I would end up losing.
Yep.
And then I would end up compounding that loss because I would be stubborn and I wouldn't want to take the loss and reassess the trade.
Yep.
And it took some time to get to the point where I'm like, okay, I don't have to trade every day. And if I can start off the week with a bang where I've made maybe 2 or 3 days of wins, the rest of the week, like, the pressure is off where I'm just like, okay, like, if I get your trade today, cool. If I don't, I'm still good on the week. You know what I mean? And not forcing trades, you'll have more longevity not forcing trades and getting it through your head that it's not every day that there's going to be a good setup. And what trader should come in, both new, intermediate, and even advanced, every day you come into the market, it's like you gotta also assess your risk, right? Most people, like, we tend to forget about the risk when we take certain positions or when we look for certain trades. Like, is this worth it? Like, I always ask people when they ask me, like, I got into this position, whatever. I'm like, okay, well, what was your target? What was your stop loss? And if your stop loss is 40 cents and you're only looking to make 50 cents, is it worth it? No, because it's literally a 1-to-1 ratio. You're risking 50 cents to make 50 cents. That's terrible. And then depending on your position size, you might be risking anywhere from $500 to $1,000, $15, $2,000, depending on how big you're in that position.
Right.
So if you're only looking to make 50 cents and you're risking 10 cents, that's a good risk to reward ratio. But that's something that really a lot of people overlook, is the risk side of it, the downside. It's not always, sunshine and rainbows. It's not every day that you're making, 5, 10, 20 bands. Some days, there's been days where, like, I probably only made like $300-400.
Right.
And I'm okay with that. I'm saying before, I used to be, before I was a stickler, like, nah, it had to be no less than $1,500 a day. If I didn't make $1,500 a day, it's like, I would be so pissed. But then it's like, something is better than nothing. Like,
right.
Those are my two sayings. Something is better than nothing. And days when the market is just trash, there's horrible volume, or there's just a lot of economic uncertainty, not making money is better than losing money.
Yep. And
Capital preservation.
You think about it, dude, $400 a day is still $100K a year in the market. You know what I mean? So it's like, still making over $100K a year, which, I mean, sometimes that's, to some people, if you're going from, like, almost $1 million a year to going back down to like $100K, obviously that's not going to be very enticing, very motivating. But that is still, you got to think about it. It's like, oh, damn, bro, I only made $400 a day. But then it's like, oh, well, I also know somebody, like one of my old buddies is still working for, like, he has to work 2 days to make that much. You know what I mean? It's like, so it's like, you really got to and the two things, greed and taking things for granted, right? Obviously, I'm a religious man. When God always says, don't be greedy when it comes down. And that's a fact, bro. It's like, there's been so many times where I've had that greed kick in on these prop accounts, or even on my regular account with options or something, or like if I'm trading, I'm pretty good on it on the personal funded, but it's that greed side, bro. It's like, oh, I'm up like 200, 300, but I could be up 700. It's like, brother, take your gains and walk. It's like, you know what I mean? To a point. It just depends on, what you got set up. If you had the game plan already set up, like the 1500 point on NQ, you know what I mean? We had you had that set up all day, all morning, got right up to under it, all the way up to 9.2, and it's like, if you're super greedy or whatnot, you might, let's not, maybe you're aiming for 15.020 once it breaks 15, and then it's like, diamond hands are a thing. I will admit, diamond hands are a thing. I need to learn them, but my paper hands, hey, man, they lock the profit up, okay? So I can't complain, bro. I mean, yeah, I don't, a $1,500 a day would be cracked, though, bro. Not gonna lie. $1,500 a day, that's your minimum. Caesar?
Huh?
I said $1,500 a day was your minimum at one point?
Yeah, that was my minimum at one point.
This guy. Hey, man. That's, yeah. Yeah, you've been in the game for like 10 plus years, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, buddy. Yeah, that'll do it. YB said in chat since 2017. Patience. PAY Suns team. Yeah, buddy. You already know. So, that's, you're kind of right on that, man. I mean, patience is a massive thing we all need to learn. Yeah, and you can reflect your trading throughout life, bro. Being patient with your partner, being patient with, you know, maybe a dog that you got and it needs to be trained or something, being patient with the Starbucks worker that just seems to not be able to get that, you know, pumpkin spice latte down to a T, and they keep making it not a pumpkin spice latte, like some caramel cream stuff, bro. I'm sick of this stuff at Starbucks, by the way, bro. All right, but that's besides the point. All right, we gotta learn patience, guys.
That sounds personal right there.
That might be personal. All right, them and American Airlines, we're not getting along. Okay, we print money in consolidation. Yeah, buddy, it's easy saying that on YouTube. You already know, buddy. You guys are printing. Do you have a goal for the day, week, - month? Personally, me, you know, maybe Caesar can answer differently. I don't really. All I really have is I know when I'm up over like 1,000 on the prop, and if I'm up over at least like 200, 250, I'm good. Because I would much rather lock up those gains than imagine going from green to red, bro. Like, that is probably one of the worst feelings in trading, bro. Is when you're green and you go from green to red. Right? If you're break even and you really haven't traded much, or you haven't traded at all and you have a red day, okay, cool, right? But going from up big to down big is one of the worst feelings ever. So it's like, I just kind of trade until I feel like I'm good, you know what I mean? Like, I might take one trade on the personal account, 2 trades or whatever it may be, and I might take like a few trades on the prop and get it in, and then I'm kind of just good, you know what I mean? So it's like, you know, you can set a goal. I don't know, how do you feel about that, Caesar? Setting a goal for the day, week, month?
I do.
Yep.
I do. I set daily, weekly, and monthly goals. For me, it just like, I don't know, for me, like, it's a way of me holding myself more accountable, to just like continuously like pushing the envelope, like testing myself to see like how much can I really make. So versus I don't ever want to get complacent where, you know, oh, I made a certain amount and, you know, and that's okay. Like, I want to continuously like push myself, because like my goals and aspirations are pretty up there.
Right.
So, you know, starting off with having, you know, $500 to be my minimum for the day, then 15, then 25, then 5, then 10. And before, you know, I used to aspire to being able to have, 5-figure days, right? Or 5-figure weeks. And then it went from 5-figure weeks to 5-figure days. And now I'm striving to have, you know, a 6-figure week. And then, you know, once I start having 6-figure weeks, it's like, okay, well, then maybe I can get to, you know, a 7-figure month, and then so forth.
Yeah,
so
buddy.
For me, I like setting goals because it just gives me something to work towards, and I can hold myself accountable. And when I make a certain amount, it's like, okay, why did I make this? Like, at the end of the day, when I journal and I go over my trades, it's like, okay, why was I able to make this money today? Oh, okay, like this was a setup. We had this volume, you know, we had this that went in the favor.
Right.
And it just gives me something to go off of the next time that those same conditions present themselves. So, okay, I did 10 contracts this time. Okay, next time I'm gonna up it to 20,
Right.
or I'm gonna up it to 15. And then I just continuously work on increasing my position size, which when I do that, like, yes, I can make more profits, but I'm also increasing my my risk.
Yep.
As well, because if the trade goes against me, I'm gonna end up taking a bigger loss than I normally do.
Yep.
Once I scale up in position. But yeah, so having daily, weekly, and monthly goals is just something that I do to challenge myself to continue leveling up.
Yeah, buddy. Well, there you go. Yeah. I mean, I can agree. I personally don't set the profit amount, only because when I used to do that, that's when it would get a little sketchy. And yeah, I just, you know, but like, obviously, yeah, like AK just said in here, you know, Caesar's been in the game how many years? It makes total sense, right? So it's like, you know, it does make sense once you get to that level, that it's like, okay, this is this is like the new 9 to 5, right, or whatever you want to call it. This is the new daily job. And you know, even from, you know, myself or whatnot, it's the same factor as, you know, I totally can agree that maybe once you get to that next level, like, you know, you're at and everything like that, you're having 5-figure, you know, months or weeks or whatever it may be. It's like, whew, it's like, yeah, buddy, you're only going up. That's it. So it's like, you know, that is a fact, bro. So I can agree. Yeah, buddy. So green to red is the worst feeling ever. What is it? You say every time, why didn't I just take my profit? That is facts, man. It's it's one of the worst feelings out there, I would say. It's like just going from green to red. It's like, and any new traders in here, man, that are starting up, that maybe just joined today, Tradecaster, you guys are going to learn a lot, man. You guys are going to learn a lot. I think early on, daily or even weekly goals, like a set goal, can be detrimental to your trading. I think, like I said, early on, I mean, I can agree. It has that effect to where it, like, I feel like it messes with your head. It's like, okay, my goal is $100 a day. Oh, but I hit 70. You know what I mean? If you're like a new trader, it's like, okay, my goal is, you know, $200 a day, but I hit 150. You know what I mean? It's like, just walk away. I feel like it's like, if you're near your goal, you know, just walk away. Wait, that's what I tell myself. 400 a day, 100K a year to sit at home, trade for 2 hours, and have the rest of the day to do whatever. Yeah, that is true. I think, yeah, that's kind of it, man. And just because, you know, you can make a certain amount in literally like 5 minutes, in 10 minutes. Surely you've been waiting all day to make that one trade, but there's no cap on your gain as well. That's the best thing I like about trading. You know, obviously if you work for Wall Street or something, you get commissions, but like, you know, it's, yeah, there's no cap. I mean, there's no cap. You know, the sky's the limit. However much you can run it up, man, is however much you're gonna be making. All right. So yeah, buddy, use your daily life and how you work through things and bring that over to the market with patience. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, I gotta get on the Caesar thing. All right, I gotta get on your Momo there, Caesar. Okay.
Word.
I gotta get on the good eating, the spas.
Oh, hell yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, bro.
Yo, give me like 5 minutes. I have to restart my tower because something's being acting really glitchy. So give me like 5 minutes. I'm gonna restart and hit you back.
Okay, word. Catch, brother. Yeah, buddy. So you'll just stare at your P&L. What is it? I can see who's been in the market for how many years. Yup, you'll just stare at your P&L all the time. Being consistent is the biggest goal. Trust me, I did it. And I do one-on-ones with traders all the time that do it. Yeah, man. Yeah, it's because you just stare at your P&L. And, you know, whether you're up or down, you're waiting for that little... You don't actually have a plan. And that's another thing, too. It's like, okay, I'm looking to make $400 this trade. Well, what's the plan? Okay. The plan is I want to see it go up. I'm going to jump in here. Bink, hey, man, I'm up $100. I'm up $200. Oh, that's not enough. We're coming up. We're starting to reject a little bit. But it's not $400. And then it's like, bink, it comes down to the view up again. Now you're like break even. And then it goes back up. And it's like, oh, I'm not selling until I'm up $400. But what happens when you're down $400, bro? You know? Oh, everyone's... Oh, 100%, bro. I look at my P&L quite often, bro. I'm not going to lie. I look at my P&L. You know? Yeah, I just never... Yeah. Well, I told my P&L and haven't seen it since. But, you know, I don't have my P&L up. But how do you see... My main thing is how do you see when you're, like, up in a trade? I teach traders to take it off. I don't know, man. That's, like... I feel like that's risky, bro. That's so risky, dude. That would scare the crap out of me. Who cares? But, yeah. Alright, valid point. I feel like that would... I feel like that is true. You have your average entry. You know what that is. You can still see it. Yeah. Oh, man, dude. That's just, like... Oh, that's so scary to me. Yeah, buddy. Why I took my P&L off. I don't have it up. Yup. Nice. It's about sticking at levels. I don't care how much I'm up or down until I'm out. It's about sticking. Oh, man. I mean, I can agree in a way. I would say, for myself, it helps knowing that I go by levels as well, right? I don't go by the P&L amount. I go by levels as well. Like, I'm going to come in here, and I'm going to DCA down at the view up. Hey, let's say we go down to 200. I'm going to hit another DCA, right? Okay, now we're starting to spike back up. My average fill price is going to be, like, a little bit, like, halfway. Like, let's say, like, 22, right? 920, 922. And then we start to spike, rip, and run. Hey, cool, I'm going to take my profit, right? It's like, or if you have the game plan set in max, baby, bro, you can just, like, ride that thing all the way up. Like, you could ride this all the way up to 1,500 flat right now, guys. Like, you know what I mean? When you master charting, you won't care about my P&L. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, man. I mean, yeah. We'll see. We're getting there. Hard to do when you're trying to get funded because you have to keep your stops tight and know your losses. Telling you to take that. Oh, man. That's gonna be a risky one. I've been doing. Hey, you know, I would say the last month has been good to me. All right, so, you know, futures in a way has been pretty good. You know. Everything wise, you know, everything in life. I'm a little bit under the weather today, but that has no effect, right? We're still here, baby. We're still printing, trading, profiting. So, like, that's what matters, man, all right? All I need is average price and share size. Yeah, I get it. But if you're trading, like, I mean, I don't know, man. If you're trading, like, options or you're trading, like, I don't know, futures is very volatile. AK, I would, you know, I know you're kind of already printing. Maybe grab like a prop account, man. Grab, if you ever tried out futures, I think you'd like it. Futures, options or shares, doesn't matter. Yeah, buddy. Spike a pop over, view up, broke down trends. It's so close, bro. It's so close. I'm waiting till JP speaks. Been doing this for years. Yeah, buddy. So AK gets it. So if you guys want, you can take some of that good old AK advice, and you know, take your P&Ls off. Don't really matter. You know, it shouldn't matter. So many traders have done it that I do one-on-ones with, and they love it. Yeah, buddy. Same. Do we know when the PAL ends? Oh yeah. Hold on here. Let me bring this up. Sorry guys. It starts at 11 a.m. ladies and gentlemen. Starts at 11 a.m. You guys see that? October 2nd, 11 a.m. I'm like 85% sure of that. Right at the London session close, guys. Alright, guys, so chillin'. You can actually stay in a trade longer and master charting faster. Woo! Yeah, buddy, got it. Thanks. Yup. Iggy was one of the ones that told me to do that. Yeah, I mean, maybe I'll try it out on one of my other accounts. You know, we'll see what's up with it. I don't mind, you know, looking at my P&L. You know, especially for the day, it kind of like, gives you a little bit of motivation. You know what I mean? You know, every trader is different though. So like, for some traders that might work out. For other traders, it might be like, well, you know, it doesn't really fit my, you know, agenda. But like at the same time, like I said, every trader is different, man. So you guys need to find your style. You guys need to find your momentum. Especially if you're new to trading, this is the best time. Before you build those bad habits, before you build crappy habits, man, you guys are at tradecaster.com where you guys can build those amazing habits early, right? You don't got to worry about that all the dumb, you know, all the gurus out there that say, do this, do that, do this, do that. It's like, nah, bro. No, nah, man. It's like, bro, here's the basic setups. Here's what you should do or what you need to do, bro. Yeah, buddy. So we are chilling. So hopefully you guys over on YouTube are embracing some of this knowledge as well. I've worked with 175 traders. That's the biggest issue. That is true. I mean, hey man, listen. Working with that many traders, you know, staring at the P&L and how they are up and down versus sticking to the trade, or average down, up until they are at a full account size. I mean, I've done that on some. I mean, I've stopped doing that. Like the most I've taken today, as you see, is two contracts, right? Buy, sell, buy, sell. Or excuse me, buy, sell, buy, sell. Right? It's just like bink, green. And then it's like, oh, well, congratulations. And then on this one, I just literally buy, sell. That's it. That's all it was. One trade on the day. Bink, and then the hourly. Done. Out. TP'd. Nose blow your account. Oh, yeah. Yeah, no. I will 100% admit, DCAing is very, very risky. DCAing can be the riskiest thing you ever done. Like, you do. It can be the best thing. It can save your account 100 times. But if you just get out of the trade, that's kind of what I recommend. I mean, I personally DCA just because it's on the prop. I never DCA, usually on my personal. And then once the prop gets completely funded and everything, I'm not going to be DCAing as much. I'll be chilling out. So many traders have to say a 5 to 10 streak of being green, then have that one big ass loss that messes it all up. Yeah, buddy. I'm with you there, AK. We've all done it. You know, had a guy on a 22 win streak, then one loss wiped out all those wins, which is crazy, bro. That is insane. All those gains, baby, just showered on, just immediately. That's why, man. You gotta, you know what I'm saying? You gotta cut that. Have to have a stop loss and stick to it. Yep. Whether it's a trailing stop loss, if you're in the green, whether it's a you know, a normal stop loss, bro, just a regular stop loss, bro. You know what I'm saying? Cut it. Yeah, buddy. So hopefully you guys are chilling out. You guys are chilling out, waiting, watching, man. You guys are getting it in, man. Yeah, because right now we're chilling out, guys. I'm not gonna force any more trades today. If it comes down to it. What time is it right now? 10:58. Okay, JP speaks in what seems to be 2 minutes, guys. I wonder where we can watch it, if we can watch it. If any of you guys have a little link to it, let me know. Just chilling with you. Yeah, buddy. Getting it in, baby. Glad to have you over here, AK. Let's see if we can find this on YouTube. Hold up. Let me go here. Here, let me go here, near youtube.com. There we go. All right, let's look up JP Speaks. Let's see, baby. Let's see what we got. JP Jerome. Live today. All right, ladies and gentlemen. That was 3 days ago. Nope, that's Bloomsburg Business News. I don't know if he's gonna be speaking today for us guys, like publicly, ladies and gentlemen. So, yeah, buddy. Here's a copy of JP Speaks. Yeah, buddy. All right. How you doing, boss? No, long time no see. Yeah, buddy. You already know. All right. So let's say if good old JP, it says that he speaks at 11 here. So we're going to see. All right, it says it right there. Date, October 2nd. It is October 2nd at 11:11. So I'm assuming that means 11, 11 a.m. Not 11 p.m. That'd be a bit crazy, guys. All right, what time is it right now? 11:59. We got 1 minute. Woo! Yeah, buddy. So chilling, ladies and gentlemen. Tesla, guys, still has yet to really crack that trend line. If I'm gonna be honest, man, it's riding that super tightly, which is good. You have one touch, almost 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If it holds below it, bro, it spikes below the VWAP. Ladies and gentlemen, that's what I would be looking at it more. I don't trust it in the 50, 200, or below. You know what I mean? It has to crack that VWAP for me to really feel like comfortable if I were you guys trading it. Yeah, other than that though, because you can't be mad if you get in at the 50 day, dumps down to the VWAP and rejects, and now you're break even, and then you're, a little bit more red. So if you guys get in at the 50 day, it could reverse. The 200 day could reverse, and the VWAP. But if you get in right under that, when it's cracking, you have that confirmation candle, bink. Yeah, buddy. I'm done for the day unless we have a 6 setup over lunch. Woo! Yeah, buddy. And I'll go over here just trying to make progress every day in the world. I love it, guys. I love it. So we got all the fantastic traders over here at tradecaster.com, getting it in, pushing it, getting it going, baby. All right, so I'd love to see it, love to hear it, love to be a part of it. All right, guys. So what is my game plan? S&P really hasn't moved too much all day. Happy to be green. Grateful to be green. I'm just gonna say this. What time is it? It's 11 right now, guys. So here it is, guys. The 11 a.m. news coming out. JP apparently speaks. That's what they say. 11. He speaks for, what does that say? 25 minutes. I don't know. It's the first time I ever used this website, guys. They don't have it over on this one, which is the main one I use. This is the overall economic calendar for the month. This is what I use all the time. So it would be Monday. They have construction spending, ISM manufacturing, and S&P U.S. manufacturing PMI. Okay, guys. So we're gonna see, because if it's not publicly streamed, it's kind of hard. Woo! What is up? What's up, Joe Fi? Hope you're killing it, buddy. What are you up on the prop today? I am up 1368, and then I'm up 234 on the personal, baby. So I can't complain, cannot complain, ladies and gentlemen. So 25 minutes. That's what I think. Like I said, I've never used that website before, so I'm gonna be. Don't get your hopes up. Don't get your hopes up. So apparently he speaks right now, and then he ends around. He ends around 11:25. That's what they says though. But don't get your hopes up. It's not publicly streamed. So how in the world would we even know anything until news articles come out later? You know what I mean? So it's like, sometimes that happens when he speaks, right? It's like, it's a bit wild. So we're going to see. We're going to see. Oh, Caesar saying link sent. Yeah, buddy. Let's get into this one. Hold on, guys. Open Zoom meeting. Launch meeting. There we go, guys. Give me 1 second. 1 second. Getting it going.
Alrighty, let's go, baby. Let's go.
There we go. What's up, buddy?
What's up? We back in this.
Yeah, buddy. There we go. So, chilling out, guys. Woo.
Let's go.
So, is JP speaking right now, Caesar? Is that a...
Yeah, he's supposed to. He hasn't come out yet.
Okay, if you don't mind sending a link, maybe, if we can watch it.
Can you pull up CNBC?
Oh yeah, it's on. Okay.
Yeah, so they should, it should stop being streamed on CNBC.
There we go.
Seasonality that everybody expected kind of masked the weakness that we did get. If that continues into Q4 when it's
All right, let me look this up.
He's always late. Swear, like a woman.
What's up?
I said he's always late. Like these politicians, man. It's like, yo, you're supposed to start at 11. It's like, yo, be freaking
Yeah,
punctual.
right. They do that a lot, bro. They are like females, bro. No offense to any female traders in here, you guys.
Yeah, no offense to any female trader, but it's like, yo, these dudes, man, they should take their sweet ass time, bro. Like, get to it. Like, people got better things to do than wait around for them.
Right. Yep. So okay. I'm trying to find it here. Let me see.
So, NQ, come on.
Getting that little paparoo.
15. Yes, sir. Come on, baby.
Waiting and watching right now. He's doing good, I think. I follow him on socials. He said he's someone else. Spy likes it. I use Financial Juice for news. Yeah, buddy. There you go. Financial Juice. Twitter, baby. Okay, apparently I have to sign up with my TV provider, so we're just gonna like listen in from yours.
Yeah. I'll put it up soon as they I'll put the volume up soon as he starts.
All right, that works. Yeah, because that would take forever for me to. I don't even think I have a TV provider right now, man. Netflix, baby. That's what I use.
Yeah, I've been experiencing lag all day today. I was experiencing lag on Tradeovate. I was experiencing some lag on my MT4. The only one that I wasn't experiencing any lag on was TD Ameritrade.
Yeah, buddy. There we go. Zach Cash saying, "Pal speaks. Let's see how it goes." Yeah, buddy. How you feeling, YB? Easy saying, "I'm feeling great. Feeling good, man. Feeling like a beast in the wilderness, like a wild boar."
To what extent?
Yeah, buddy.
Yeah, well, I mean, I think the bottom line is that the U.S. economy as well as developed market economies have been much more resilient than anyone expected in the first half of this year. But nevertheless,
So guys, we're gonna listen in through Caesar's stream,
that,
or listening through Caesar's mic,
are
so you guys
starting
can
to
see
build.
exactly what's going on.
And that just plus the fact that some of these fiscal policy positive overhangs that we've had since the pandemic,
Sorry, that's Tango in the background. You guys hear
savings
that?
and the like, those are starting to diminish. So, in our view, this does start to decelerate in the back half of this year and in the United States. And by the way, we're already starting to see that in other developed markets. So yes, we do see signs that things are weakening. Does that turn the bond story around?
Yeah,
Does that link into a bid for treasuries?
Okay,
Because
guys.
that's been the big headwind for stocks and now added concerns about a rate shock for the consumer. Yeah, I mean, so I think the bond market right now, or just markets more broadly, are kind of searching for a level of financial conditions that's tight enough to start to slow the economy. And I think that the markets we're basically repricing to this.
So guys,
outlook
chilling out as of right now. We're just waiting on JP to come out.
in order to really slow
Like we
things
said,
down.
he definitely takes his time coming on out.
What we see under the surface is that things are
What a man.
slowing.
We
It's
got it.
happening with a little bit more of a lag at this point. But yes, eventually,
Man.
that should help
Already keep up with all of you young fellas.
perceptions of
Okay.
value in the market as the economy slows.
Tiffany, one of the
There's a lot of you that hung out together in
things
chat
to get our
at
arms
the same
around has
time.
been the level of excess saving, and there's been all kinds
I
of
feel like I'm
revisions.
old now. It's okay.
As clean model
I feel like I'm getting older.
consumers.
We work on PAL time. Yeah, well, PAL should be working on our time, as we quite literally make his job. But all right,
Concentrate
is what it is.
Yeah, and I
When
agree.
he's doing.
Wide uncertainty bands right around these types of estimates, but I would really just highlight that when people look at this, they tend to look at it on a nominal basis, and that's not really the way that we should be
15.
looking
This
at
guy.
it about real consumption moving forward. We
Yeah,
really
buddy. YB, bro, you're 19. Relax, bro. I feel old.
adjusted quite a
My
bit
legs
over
right now. I feel like I need to stretch. I feel like I've been sitting here too long.
less,
Right?
but the
I got a little
savings-
bit of a headache. My back kind of hurts a little bit, guys. So,
the excess
ugh.
wealth since the
Just tell you guys
pandemic
about my problems.
also looks like it's
Oh,
come
really,
down.
only 19? Yeah, buddy.
Risen.
Yeah. We're getting it in.
That
All right.
is, and again, this is not only in the U.S., but we do think those excess savings are
Yeah.
getting depleted across the developed markets. And at some point, you're going to have consumption that just
What the
comes into
fuck?
that.
Yeah, buddy. All right. We young guns. You already know, baby.
Or will they go in November?
Young guns. All right. Listen,
I think that
I can't go to bar yet, but I'll tell you something.
When we look at our near-term
I'm allowed to
inflation,
make a crap ton of money in the market. But I can't drink. I'll take a sip of alcohol.
that they're gonna look
Alright,
good
so
going into the November
wait till you
meeting.
turn 20. My neck
Guys,
hurts over here. Yeah,
there's
buddy,
still
bro.
nice
Listen,
tailwind
man.
in
Alright.
terms of the decline
Start
in
developing
used
some
home
back
prices.
problems. I see
Obviously,
my
you have
masseuse like
trends
3
that are-
times a
that are
week.
still, decelerating as well. So I think look at that, and they can say, hey, maybe we can wait a little bit longer. They
Yeah,
continue to be data dependent. Their newest
Mo just in chat over here. Yo,
we
AK.
had inflation.
Oh,
still
man.
running
We're
at
chilling out, guys.
At the midpoint, the end of this year still looks a little bit high to us. So
Alright.
maybe that's the catalyst for them to say, hey, we might take a rate hike out for the end of this year. But nevertheless, even if they do that,
I go to the bar when I was back home in England, but since I moved to Dubai, it's 21. It's 21? Oh, okay. I thought you said like, I don't know why my brain processed like 25. So you can't go now? Damn, Joe Fi, you 19 too? Turn 26 next month, and I am not happy to be on the wrong side of my 20s, bro. Woo! Listen,
Yeah.
dude.
I think
Alright,
that is
Caesar's like,
obviously
like 18.
I wish, bro. Listen, to be 18 or 20 and know the stuff that I know now, bro.
Yeah.
Yo, I would be a problem. Like, I'm a problem now, but like, if I had a couple more years of my youth, like, if I was like you guys, bro.
Oh, man.
'Cause I started trading like in my mid-20s.
Yeah. Oh, that's funny.
You know-
No, you still got it though. You're still young.
Hello?
We see that happening. It's happening
Hello?
slowly, but again,
Yep.
it is happening.
Oh, okay, yeah, no, I said, yeah, you still got it. You're still young.
You're gonna get some increase in
You're not on the
unemployment.
back end of life. You're in your 30s. That's not bad. It's not bad at all. Yeah, so chilling out, guys. Chilling out. You can't complain about any of it. Most of the Tradecaster streamers here have hit their good old 30s. Maybe have a kid, maybe have some dogs, maybe have some. I'll be performing on the weekends until I'm 60. Easy, yeah, buddy. You already know what's up with it. So, AK, man, AK's chilling, bro. I know he still got it. All right. Trading will be around forever. There are people who trade that are in their 60s. Imagine trading from when you're like my age all the way until you're like 70 to 80, bro. And you've just been banking, bro. Going on trips, doing this and that. That'd be crazy, bro. That'd be insane. AK got it though, man. All right, he's got it. I don't be done when I'm 50, honestly. Really? I mean, I guess it's maybe trade here and there. Yeah, I mean, it can be a little. I don't know. It can be stressful sometimes. Not really. I guess as you get older, you want to have less stress in your life. You know what I mean? Yeah, I want to bank and live life. That is true. You can do both, though. Technically. Yeah, right. Oh, AK's been living. Don't let him confuse you. All right. AK, Caesar, Deck. What else we got? All living.
Be a
life
little
to the fullest.
seasoned. Be a little seasoned.
Yeah, buddy.
Just a little seasoned. That's all.
Yeah, buddy. So he's getting it in. All right, we're chilling. I'm waiting. Yeah, man. All these guys are banking.
Like, I really do enjoy like seeing that younger people like getting into this, bro, and not getting stuck in that 9 to 5 race. And again, no shade or any anything to that, because I was there myself. Like, I worked numerous of different jobs, from restaurants to cook, to landscaping, to construction, to roofing, to driving, right? So all of that, like, definitely, like, allows me to have a greater appreciation for the freedom that I have.
Right.
I definitely wish, like, I was exposed to this industry a lot earlier on in my life, versus stumbling upon it while I was promoting my fitness company.
Oh, there you go. Yeah.
Yeah, so the earlier that you can get into, like, understanding money, understanding finances, and for some reason, like, in some cultures, it's so taboo and whatever. And bro, like, some people may rub some people the wrong way, but everybody, like, a lot of people, I grew up with the whole like, really believing, like, oh, money doesn't buy happiness. And bro, and that is a crock of shit. Like, when people say that stuff, like, oh, money don't buy happiness, I'm like, bro, like, have you flown first class?
Yeah.
Have you driven a 6-figure car?
Right.
Like, have you ever, like, say, been in a penthouse, in a villa? I'm like, that shit brings happiness. Like, I don't know what you're talking about. Like, you know what I mean? And it's like, everything that people go through in life that they have problems with and whatever, like it comes down to money, and it's like, yo, at the end of the day, your money makes the world go round. And if you really want to sit here and believe that, like, if you don't gain financial IQ, or if you don't strive to make more money, and granted, some people are okay with, making $50,000 to $100,000 a year. That's okay. I mean,
Right.
hey, some people want a simple life. Kudos.
Yeah.
But other people, like, yo, want an extravagant, an amazing life, a life that you look back and it's like, damn, I did this, I did that, I experienced this, I experienced that,
Right.
and stuff like that. Like, to do those type of things costs money. To be able, if you're a person that's generous, you like helping family, friends, well, guess what? To be able to help them in certain ways, money is required,
Yup.
right? So, but yeah, like, yo, that was one of the biggest lies I was told growing up. Money can buy happiness, bro. I wish I could see those same people right now. I could smack them over the head like, yo, you lied to me.
Yep. Yep, bro. And that's really it, man. I mean, surely I'm I'm not, not there yet. We're getting there, bro. But to be 19 and to be in this industry, I mean, every single day, man. I mean, it's a blessing. It is insane that people discover this industry at 50, 60, 70, and I'm not going to say it's too late. It's never too late. You know what I mean? It's not too late, but it's like I would much rather be young and hopefully not dumb, because to build those good characteristics, but young and rich, and just really living life to the fullest. And obviously still, like, praising God, and having my religious basis, being it all based off of Him and whatnot, just so you're not like a little scumbag or anything, right? It's like,
Yeah.
but that's just how I personally feel about it. I definitely just I definitely think that this is
It comes
a different
15.
life.
It comes 15. But yeah, bro, I mean, one thing I'll tell you from experience, bro, if you can avoid the trap of like going to clubs and doing the bottle services and that flossing, bro,
Right.
avoid that. It's unnecessary waste of money. Oh, here
Yeah.
comes 15K. 15K. Are we tapping?
It
Fuck
just
the
there.
way, bro. It's like right there. Like, come on.
Are you taking profit there? There you go.
There we go. There we go.
Are you
Come on,
taking-
baby.
Are
Keep
you
going.
holding or taking profit?
I'm gonna hold a little bit longer.
Okay.
I'm gonna hold
Yeah,
just a
bro.
little.
No, but
But I will downsize though. I will take partial. Okay, partial taken.
okay.
Okay, yeah. Let's go. Watch this, bro. I'm gonna need to buy a mic. So when plays like this play out, when I call these stuff to the T, I'm gonna just do this.
Right. Yup. I kind of like it above that 1500 mark. Oh man, I might.
There
I
we
don't know.
go. There we go.
What is this on 150?
Order
We're
filled.
gonna see. I'm gonna try and hold this above that 1500. If we start crack-a-lacking back to the downside, then I'll probably cut through it. But yeah, I mean that is something. It's bottle service. All that fugazi looking.
Bro, I did that shit, bro. It was a waste. It was a waste. And what's crazy is like I was fortunate that like at least like the few times that I did, like I knew the bartenders.
Right.
And the bartenders were like really nice to where I got so messed up, bro. Like I was ready to leave them like a $400 tip, and they're like, no, that's too much. So they cut it down in half and whatever. And then another time, bro, I bought VIP. I spent like over 1,500 in liquor, right?
Woo.
And only like maybe 1.5 of the bottles were like actually drank.
Right.
And then like the club kept the rest, so I paid for stuff that wasn't even used, and I was so heated. I'm like, what the hell am I doing? I'm like people gotta work weeks to make this money, and I'm here blowing this shit in like a couple hours.
Yeah.
So after that, I was like, those are like the types of like pitfalls and stuff that end up doing like once we start really making money. And then it's just like, instead of wasting it on something, it's like do something productive with it, like. And and that's where I got this whole mindset. Like, until I have like fuck you money, like
Right.
I'm not doing certain things. Like certain things only comes if I'm like if I'm on that level where I have like fuck you money, and fuck you money is multiple 7 figures.
Yeah, bro.
And
That's
excuse my language for those on here, but it's just a different mindset, man. It's just like you gotta put your money to work. So after that, bro, and again, if it's something you want to just get out your system, do it 1 or 2 times, but after that, like hopefully you'll see that it's not really worth it. It doesn't really pay dividends.
Mm-hmm. Well, yeah, bro. Even like when I went to Florida, quite literally exactly what I did. VIP bottle service or whatnot and everything. And it's like, all right, well, it's like, one, if you have a girl, it's like you can't, I don't know what your game plan is. Like, I'm just being 100% honest for the boys in the room, right? It's like if you got a girlfriend or something, back in another state or something, it's like you can't really, unless you want to, obviously, do what you got to do. But then there's almost, you know what I mean? It's like, okay, you want to look like the man, you want to look like, the guy, but then it's like, okay,
yeah, and it's like, what does that get you?
Right.
You know
It's like, I'm not getting laid.
Order
2,
filled.
I'm not even like, I'm not going to finish all these bottles. Like, I remember Friday night. Okay, I'll be honest with you guys, 100% honest with you guys. Friday night, we went to the club, we bought like a couple bottles or whatnot, but it was more or less just for like my buddy's birthday or whatnot, which is like okay or whatnot, right? But more or less, it was just the fact that I mean, I don't know, man, it just didn't really feel right. Like the next day you wake up and you're like, damn, bro, you're like, I could have invested all that money, or I could have saved it, or I could have done this, or I could have done that. You know what I mean? It's like I could buy a property.
Something productive. I mean, like, help a community out, help somebody or whatever. Like, yeah, bro. It's So
Right.
I'm glad like you're coming to that realization. Like, I didn't come to that realization until sometime after, and I probably did it. Well, I did it like once in Vegas.
Those bottles, dang.
I did it once. I did it in Tampa. I did it overseas, and I did it a couple of times, like in my home state.
Right.
And I think the last time I did it in my home state, where I was expecting like a certain amount of friends to like show up, so I bought like 3 VIPs and ordered mad bottles. And bro, like not even half showed up, which is why a lot of the bottles went to waste. And then just before leaving, I'm just like, I'm like, I paid for this. So I took a bottle, bro, and I took it to the face. It messed me up.
Oh man, bro. And they don't play, dude. Listen, I'm not gonna lie, bro. Those things don't mess around, dog. Like, they will get you. They will get you. So it's not, it's really not worth it for anyone wondering. What in my head, I mean, I'm glad I'm starting to realize this at a younger age. You know what I mean? But it's like, I'll still party. I'll still, get lit or whatever. But I'd rather be in like Hawaii. You know what I mean? Like on a beach, like with a couple buddies or something, or like with like a chick in like Monaco or some shit. You know what I mean? Like,
Monaco's a vibe. I ain't been there yet, but that's on the list.
Right? Like, that's where I want to go, bro. Like, one of the richest countries in the world, bro. Like, compared to, like, being, like, downtown.
And the square mileage, bro, the square mileage of the country is smaller than one of, like, the cities in my state. And I live in one of the smallest states in the United States.
Yeah, buddy.
Over 15, let's go.
Yeah, buddy, yup. Oh, there we go, yup. I'm holding along as well with you. I'm holding 2. There you go. Yup. AK saying exactly looking at your girl. Okay. Well, AK, Okay. No comment. Yeah, I get you though. I get what you're saying, buddy. I get what you're saying. So looking at your girl's butt and beautiful water. Yup. You can't get much better than that, ladies and gentlemen. You can't get much better than that.
Let's go.
You get yourself a wife.
Where the hell is Paul at, bro? What the hell are they doing?
What's up?
I'm like, it's almost 11:30, bro.
Is he not out yet? Is he really not out?
No, like, I'm still waiting.
Yo, JP runs on some different type of time, ladies and gentlemen. I just want y'all to know. That is insane. Yeah, Darth Vader, yep, right. Look at, that feels so good. Oh my.
You see that?
Ladies and gentlemen.
Oh, here we come for those highs.
Oh,
bro.
My, baby. Let's see it. Oh, baby.
I'm just going to say, I told you so.
This guy. All right. Valid point. So that's a very valid.
There is no reason for anyone to have not made money today.
Yep. Woo! That is an amazing long opportunity right there, ladies and gentlemen. So looking for a red to green here, seeing if we're going to get back above 1550.
That has to be talking.
So holding it out. Have a trailing stop loss set in my mind. Want to see this go up. Yup, 14. Want to see this continue to spike right there. A little bit of a red to green move. Want to see it hold out. Overall market still pushing. Guys, woo! QQQ coming 100 SMA, 363.26. 363.26. Okay. Yeah, hopefully that's to the top side there. About to lock this up here shortly if it doesn't want to spike or rue anymore. But the overall market is getting that push. Same with S&P holding its gains rather well. Want to see it kind of flash upwards of the $1,500 area. It's holding out really well. I don't know. Are you still in, Caesar?
Yep, I'm still in one contract. I'm trying to ride this up. At least the last to Friday's high.
Yeah.
So I'm probably gonna end up completely exiting out at 1560.
There you go.
Yeah.
There we go. So, ladies and gentlemen, Caesar's still in, man. I'm still holding this. Oh man, hell of a day, guys. Hell of a day, ladies and gentlemen. Looking to pass this account challenge by by hopefully the end of the week. Get in, get out. My finger on the trigger. What was that? I don't know what that is.
About to be like, yo, I'm opening up a school, guys. I'm gonna be opening up a school.
Oh yeah? Are you doing it?
Huh? Well, actually, I will, but I'm messing around, like doing like a school for trading. Actually, I'm gonna do like a traders retreat.
Oh, there you go. That'll be sick.
In one of the countries in South America.
Right.
I'm thinking Colombia, to be honest.
There you go. That weather
Or
too.
Mexico. Do like a traders retreat, a full 7 days of just straight up learning and trading,
Order filled.
analyzing, teaching, the little things that I know that you can't find in books.
Right. Yep. Yeah, I mean that's awesome. I just took my profit there just to take it at that 50 mark because I didn't even.
I mean, shit, it's longer. It's longer than what you normally hold before.
Yeah, bro. All right.
I'm proud of you on that part.
You got me. All right. So I'm sitting out. Yeah, dude. Today's been an awesome day so far for the prop and for the personal. I'm just chilling out on both of them now. I mean, is the pop from JP? Did he like walk on screen or something? Hey, take that P&O off YB and you'll hold longer. All right. Well, let me
check Schwab.
You got a fair point, AK. I would hold longer, but I have that trailing stop loss set in my mind, and it didn't hit. It didn't hit at all. I'm not gonna lie. The trailing stop loss was 1,000, and look at those highs coming back into play. So if you guys are in, you guys are still good to go. But I know, man. I gotta.
This morning, it's
on it.
concerned long term that drugs like Ozempic could weigh on volumes. Short term, growth.
People are happy that Powell's is talking, so they're running the market up. Hey, there's a theory. There you go, Darth Trader.
Past 3 months, but Dan,
Can't complain about that.
to this idea of whether
Guys, I'm adding to a Dow Jones long position because the Dow is the only one that's still negative on the day.
that's something that
There you
Toast
go.
is very
There you guys go.
payments for them.
You taking a view on
Backslash
whether-
So
one.
I'm expecting Dow Jones to do a red to green move.
I don't have a view. We think it's too early. We don't know how wide.
Right there, it's a little negative. Yep, you just need NQ. Oh, NQ's been ripping, bro. Oh my goodness, this is awesome.
How much they're eating. For how
I used to be in
long.
trade for like 27 seconds, and it felt like 27 minutes. I was like, that's only 27 seconds, right, bro? Sometimes, bro, it feels like it's been like 100 minutes, bro, or like an hour, and it's really been like 10. It's like,
I'm just gonna say I'm accepting shout outs, you know what I'm saying? If anybody wanna do a shout out, a tag, I'll repost you, just if y'all making some good call, if y'all enjoying these calls out here, man, show us some love, bro.
yeah, buddy. Yeah, man. Yeah, Caesar.
Tag yeah, buddy. Tag yeah, buddy. Tag Tradecaster.
Yep.
All right. Let them know where you getting your good trade analysis and information from.
Yeah, buddy. Yep. Hook us up, and we're hooking you up. We're hooking you guys up. So Caesar with the absolute printers all day so far, man. Just killing it. I see where Buddy's 90% success rate comes from. Yeah, insane. Getting it in, man. We're ladies and gentlemen, if you guys want, and 100%, I'll repost it as well on Instagram, TikTok, whatever it may be. I got you guys. I got you, baby girls. Don't worry about it. I took that P&O off and I slowly started to hold longer and stick to my targets. YB, post your IG here so I can follow. Oh, I got you, man. Got you, buddy. What's crazy is how you were talking about the bottle services. Is that's literally in one of my Instagram posts.
Oh, word. Hey, I mean, listen, bro, you got like there's some things you just got to do it at least once or twice. You know what I mean? But it's not something to be made a habit of,
Right.
And whatnot. Cause like I was doing it just because like wasn't really celebrating something. I mean, although it was something to celebrate, like having like some really nice winning weeks and stuff like that, or having like a nice consistency. But there was really no need for it.
Yeah, buddy. Yeah, no, you're kind of right on that. Yeah, I mean, it's good for a couple posts, you know what I mean? It's like, okay, cool, yeah. People will be like, oh, okay, yeah.
And what's crazy is like that's something that like people gravitate more to than anything. Like when you stop being flashy, like, oh, that's when people are like, oh shit, like, oh, they want to know like what you do. But if you just, if you're just like in the back of the corner, just chilling, enjoying the vibe, having a drink or two and whatnot, like nobody pays you no mind or whatever.
Yep.
And then it's like usually that's the person that really got it.
Yep.
You know what I mean? It's not the person like, oh yeah, showing off or whatever. And yeah, it's perception, perspective, and
Yep.
you know. And I mean, I'm not necessarily knocking it and whatever. It's just from my personal view, like I found like it was just wasteful. But somebody that might be their thing. Like, you know, some people take joy and pleasure from it, which is cool. Just not my thing. But I hope for anyone that's young, you know, you find more value with your money, and you put your money to better use before doing stuff like that, because you know, not every week or month are we gonna have, you know, winning weeks, winning days, winning months. You know, and we might go through a rough patch where, you know, for a month or two, you know, we're just losing trades, right? And that's something that can easily happen in the markets, you know, especially when it comes to trading. Conditions change, and you know, if we're unable to adapt and realize, we end up taking losses on top of losses, and before you know, we might be possibly contemplating, you know, getting a 9 to 5.
Yup. It's like, you know, you take a loss, take another L, and you're like, maybe this just isn't working for me. And then it's like, well, actually, you just need to switch your strategy up a little bit, man. And then it's like, they just don't even realize it. It's like too late at that point. Now you're stuck at Walmart or Taco Bell or, you know, whatever it may be. And nothing, hey, not dissing Walmart or Taco Bell. You know, when I pull up, you know, I expect some banging ass tacos. And Walmart, baby, you guys hooked me up, man. All right, all the Walmart workers, man, they hooked me up, bro. I'll walk in there. I was looking for this buffalo dip. I swear, for about a month and a half. All right, I had it. My buddy, he threw a little something, and you know, he had this buffalo dip there, and me and my one buddy, you know, we were messing it up, bro. We were a little messed up ourselves. But I was looking for the same buffalo dip for I swear 2 months.
What a field.
And I finally found it. It was in the back of Walmart, and I can't get enough of it. Can't get enough of it. So that's my.
Have you tried? Was it a chicken buffalo dip?
Yeah. That's what it is. Yup, buffalo chicken dip.
Oh, bro, so good.
Dude, it is gold, beyond gold.
And you're gonna make me have to go get some.
It is so good, bro. Oh man, bro, Trader Joe's has the best buffalo dip. Oh my.
Word?
Yeah, right. Like,
yo, there's not one far from me.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying, man. Avery, my wife, makes the best buffalo chicken dip. See, my little chiquita was supposed to, you know, she was supposed to make me some. I got her the ingredients. She just didn't. She fell through, and I was like, what do I have you for? I was like, what are you here for? No, I'm kidding. But still, store bought got me like, yeah, bro. I mean, hey, listen, all right. I'm not much of a chef, ladies and gentlemen. I'll tell you that. All right, I'll chef it up every now and then. I know I've seen Caesar's post. Caesar, some of the stuff you send, bro, is immaculate, dog. It looks so good, and I'm like, all right, well, I'm gonna hit tropical smoothie. I'm like, that's the best I got. You know what I'm saying? So it's like, you know, why else are you here? Hey, man, you gotta understand. All right, can't get better than homemade. Oh yeah, that is a fact, bro. Okay, so some store-bought. Yeah, okay, some store-bought's all right. You know me, like, yup, yeah, buddy. Woo! Guys, I'm gonna go get some buffalo chicken. I think I got like a wine cooler in this, bro. I got everything in this office, bro. I got a wine cooler. I got a chessboard in here as well. Really fit the mood. What else do I got? I got protein powder in here. And I got some type of like 5-way dip in this. You know, it's pretty good. That's all I gotta say. All right, it's pretty good. I stuck it in the wine cooler. I know. Some of you guys are gonna be like, YB, do you not have a fridge? It's like, well, no, it's downstairs.
There we go.
And it's like, well, no, sometimes you'll be doing that late night work, and I just reach over to my right, and bink, right there's that 5-way dip, guys. Central Market and Trader Joe's, my jam. Yeah, buddy. You guys know you're a little bit too. You guys are a little bit bougie when you're shopping at like, you know, Costco or like Aldi's. So. Whole Foods? Oh, Whole Foods as well, bro. You gotta have some money.
Nah, Whole Foods is bougie.
Yeah, bro. You shop at Whole
they
Foods.
Be scamming people, bro. They be over there listing stuff as organic and it's not.
Really?
Yeah. I have a friend that works there, and she was just like, yeah, like, yo, it's like she actually left because like they're not supposed to be doing that, but they at least the ones that she worked at, she was just like, yeah, like yo, they be labeling things
Right.
as organic, and it's
Well-
not. And I'm like, you disrespect.
Yeah,
'Cause,
right,
like,
I
how do
feel
you
like-
know? How do you really know? You know what I mean?
Yeah, I feel like they can mark the price up then, right? If it's
Oh, they
organic.
do, bro.
Yeah.
Organic stuff are more expensive, bro. It is way more expensive to eat healthy than to eat trash.
Yep, and that's and you know, it's a good spot obviously to get you some good food, but you know, I mean, honestly, I mean, I'm in Pennsylvania, so you got them Amish markets around here. Oh baby, you can't get much better than those guys. All right, you got them Amish guys. They're all around. They be setting up like their fruits and vegetable stands, bro. And it's like, oh my goodness, dude, I gotta hop on that. Cause dude, I mean, they'll get you good, man. They will get you.
Mm-hmm.
Darth Trader saying in Caesar's words, the disrespect.
No facts, bro. Shit, I mean my stuff like, cause it's like, yo, you actually like, it's nice if these companies and politicians and everyone like if they actually honest with us, you know what I mean? Like,
Right.
instead of like trying to manage us or just doing these sneaky, underhanded stuff, and bro, like it'd be hella disrespectful. Like when you really sit back and you're thinking, it's like you're gonna sit here and charge me $10 for something that you're claiming that is organic, and it's not organic. It's the same product that you normally charge me $2.50 for, but because it's organic, like, and yeah, bro, like they I don't know, they just be too greedy with the profit margin to, you know, to where like they're scamming people, and
Oh yeah.
I'm just
Oh, yeah.
opposed to a lot of that disrespect and injustice.
AK saying Amish has the best or Mennonites. Bro, Caesar, you gotta try it out. I don't know if you ever tried it out. You gotta
What?
go to like something around here, something around these parts called like Green Dragon. I don't know if anyone's ever been there. It's called Green Dragon. I'm talking the best.
I mean, I'm gonna have to pull up to PA soon, especially since Dad got the office. You know what I mean?
yeah,
So,
buddy, right? So we can all
Yeah.
all link up. Maybe run around a golf or something, dude. Go check out a some of the. I'm telling you, bro, they're the best of the best, man. They are the best of the best. They got it going. It's because everything's natural, and it's like, you know, everything's completely natural, bro. Like the Amish, bro, they'll take the corn straight off the, you know, the fields, and they'll just put it up. Obviously they'll like wash it or whatnot, but then it's like boom, straight to you guys. It's like, all right, you know. So that's where you get your real food. It's not too pricey either. It's the good stuff, you know. So cannot complain. Yeah, baby. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, you're East Coast side, right? Yeah, you are. You're Northeast.
Yeah, Rhode Island. Yep.
Oh, there you go. Okay, New York.
The first plantation. No, not Long Island, Rhode Island.
Rhode Island.
Smallest state in the United States of America.
There you go. Rhode Island. I'm not even gonna lie, dude. I forgot that was a state, bro. Rhode Island, bro. Is it?
Yeah,
you
bro.
Like it?
Yo, it's funny because like whenever I tell people that, they're like, "Oh, you from like Rhode Island?" I'm like, "Oh, New York."
Yeah.
I'm like, no, it ain't Long Island. I was like, you know where they have like these fancy ass mansions, like dating back, you know what I'm saying, to where, you know, like the original 13 colonies, like Rhode Island was one of the 13 colonies, like when they all immigrated from Europe.
Yup, dude. Yeah,
And
man.
most people don't even know that.
Yeah, I mean that's new to me, bro. Like I'm not. Whew, Rhode Island, dude. I forgot about that place. I'm not even gonna lie, man. It's probably good though. It's probably good.
No, it's good. Like some good seafood, some good food out here. Newport is really dope. Like you have, when you get a chance, like Google like the Newport mansions, bro. Like they're amazing. Like that goes back to like the aristocratic ages and stuff like that. Like amazing buildings. And like I said, like really good seafood.
Well, there you go. I'll definitely have to check it out. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, I go to in the summertime. I'll usually make a pit stop over to Ocean City, and you know, Maryland. And yeah, they got some decent crab over that way. They got some alright crab. Now, I'm a big crab guy. I'm a crab enthusiast, some might say. Yeah, buddy. AK saying my mom is from PA and literally grew up with horse and buggies. My grandparents stopped school in the 8th grade to go work on Amish Mennonite farm. Oh yeah, AK's been around. AK knows then. All right. Only thing about the Amish that I just personally just don't understand is the no electric, meaning when they're cooking. So like when I was younger, right? I'm talking like 7th, 8th grade. I used to I used to, you know, live with my cousin or whatnot, right? So like 7th to 8th grade when I did, yeah, it was just like so my cousin's boyfriend or whatnot was she's a lot older than me. So basically, bro, he worked for the Amish, and you want to talk about those little business dinners getting a little hot in that house? Woo! I'm talking like 110. Yeah, buddy. I'm in
Okay.
Ocean. I'm at Ocean City, New Jersey. Oh, okay. Ocean City, New Jersey type of guy. Yeah, buddy. Ryan gets it. Ryan understands. Powell's talking right. I'm seeing news that he has said something already. Is he speaking?
They're still not showing him on CNBC. So I'm just like, where the hell is this speech going on?
Right. I don't. Is this one gonna be a public one? Is my main question. Do you think?
Because I'm even checking Schwab, nothing.
Right. Maybe they don't affect the market. I wouldn't be surprised
He
if they
said
start.
something.
Yeah, right. I wouldn't be surprised if they start putting like, I don't know, like if they do another rate hike, bro. Imagine it's at like 4:10 p.m. instead of like 2 p.m. I can imagine that, like 10 minutes after market close. That would make sense, dude. Because they really be affecting, dude. JP, I don't know why they do that. Why don't they just wait till after, after the market closes? I don't know. I got questions for JP.
Yo, you gonna be on for a bit more?
Oh yeah, probably until like 12, 12:10, something like that.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna go grab lunch. Well, breakfast actually.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna grab breakfast and then I'm gonna jump back on like around 2:30.
Okay.
See if we can catch anything towards the end of the day. But I'm pretty much over my weekly goal. So
Yeah, buddy. So there we go. Caesar, bro. Killing it, murdering it. Hey, glad to have you here, man. Glad to, train with you, man.
thank you. Likewise, pleasure. I mean, bro, if want to do this later in the week as well, let me know.
Yeah, I'm down.
Let me know. So in the next, I think was it Wednesday? On Wednesday, I'm gonna be doing another dual stream,
Okay.
but it's with a trader. It's with a female trader that trades forex. That's looking to become part of the Tradecaster family. So I'm gonna do a live stream with her so she can get like a sense of how things are and how just the whole process and whatever, and then I'm gonna link her with Deck to
Yeah, buddy. There we go.
yeah.
So our first female Tradecaster streamer.
Trying, man, bro. I mean, I told him, like I'm trying to see do anything I can to help expand into like the Latin community, because most people that trade equities, they don't know that like there's a huge, I mean, when I say huge, bro, there is a huge communities of people that trade forex, all around the globe, but there's I know of a huge communities in South America, ranging from Mexico, Panama,
Right.
Argentina,
Yep.
Peru. So like all these places have like a huge network of Latin speaking individuals that are trading on the forex side, that
Yeah.
are in the process of trying to get funded with forex firms and stuff like that. And
Yeah,
and
there you
homegirl's
go.
like pretty good. Like I actually had a Zoom with her yesterday, and just seeing how like her track record and stuff like that, and
Right.
she's doing her thing. So
There
yeah,
we
man.
go. Little heads up. We got like a
Officially,
minute left.
an
in the minute.
official forex trader, like trying to bring that on here.
Right. First one. Yup. Well, yeah,
Mhm.
buddy. We got a minute left, but
Yeah.
I definitely let me know for later this week, man. We'll get it running again, get it popping. We'll have some fun.
Absolutely.
All right, man.
So thank you, man. Appreciate it, everyone. Have a good remainder of the day. If you're up in profits, man, listen, don't trade, or if you must trade the micros.
Yeah, buddy.
Don't push the envelope. You know what I mean? Keep
Yup.
those gains.
There we go. Well, take care, Caesar. Have fun.
Later, bro. Take
See
care.
you, man.
Peace.
Yep. Peace. There we go. Sorry, I didn't want to run out of time when him like talking. So yeah, buddy. Love the dual streams. You guys like the dual streams? You guys having fun with them? It gets interesting. Gets fun. I love it. I love having him. Streaming with him. Me over there and him over here. It's fun, man. I love it. Yeah, it's fun. From our last trip up to see the house in Bowmansville, bro. I know exactly where that is. Yeah, back in 2020. There you go. Yeah, Bowmansville's not too far out from me. Yeah, that's sick. And your little dog, you got your little dog with you. There you go. You know that land looks familiar. Oh, yeah. Yeah, dude, Bowmansville's maybe I'll say 40, 50, not even, bro, away from me. The way of travel, no, bro. They do not, the Amish, and the thing is, ladies and gentlemen, if you guys live anywhere in PA, you guys will, at least, in a northeastern PA, I'd say. Ladies and gentlemen, you guys understand that when you're driving at nighttime, and you got some horse and buggies in front of you, it's a Sunday, they're coming home from church, right? You got about 15 of them in front of you. You know what I mean, bro? It's It's so frustrating, dude. It's like, oh man, love these dual streams. Yes, okay, word. Glad you guys like it. I hate to hear that. I was looking forward to it. That AK, yeah, buddy. Where did next and the one in Tampa was going to be with Next Air Trading, but he's gone now. So regroup yet again. Shit, you live that close to us up there. We need to get together on our next trip. Yeah, buddy, I'm down, man. I'm down, man. Go catch some lunch. Talk about some stonks. Do some content, make some content. Fucking video recording. Then into it, baby. With that K47, ladies and gentlemen. Get all hyped. Where did Next Era go? Yeah, I mean, I don't really know. I mean, I'm sure he's living life. I'm sure he's, you know, a lot of people wonder that, but, you know, yeah, stonks, yeah. I'm sure a lot of people, you know, you gotta think about it. A lot of the traders here, this is how it really goes. You know, we obviously, you know, we love trading and streaming with you guys. Some people are more introverted than others, right? Like myself, AK, Deck, Caesar, you know what I mean? We're not much, I mean, I can probably appease to say all of us are not introverts very much. I'm not saying he was either. I'm not saying he was in any way, shape, or form. Like, I didn't really, you know, get to know him too much or anything. But, you know what I'm saying, bro? It's like, some people just, you know, you're making a lot of money in the market. You don't really need to stream, right? Like, we do this, a lot of us do this for you guys just so that you guys can get it, and we love the community, man. Like, I had so much fun, bro. Like, I don't know, and it gets me out there more. It gets us out there more. It's being a part of, like, a family, a community. So I love it. Some people, you know, some people don't like it as much and stuff, so... You know, wherever he may be, hopefully he's crushing the market. You know, killing life, getting in there. But yeah, streaming's not always for everybody. You know, you can give it a try. It's like wrestling. So wrestling, we do something called a 2-week challenge, right? So essentially, the 2-week challenge is you have 2 weeks to try out, and you don't have to stay. You don't have to, you know, stay, and you're not gonna be called like, you know, names or anything if you stop wrestling. Like, oh, you're scared or anything. No. After 2 weeks, if it's not meant for you, it's called the 2-week challenge, and you get a t-shirt, and you get to be on your way. It's like, okay, hey, thanks for trying it out. You know what I mean? Because it's not for everyone. Same thing with, like, streaming. You know what I mean? So it's like, maybe they put in a little bit more work, but, you know. Yeah, buddy. He was trading, then streaming, then he just dipped. Yeah, buddy. I'm stuck in Jersey. Woo! Jersey's fun, though. You got them, what is it? The Jets, technically? Aren't the Jets in Jersey? Isn't that why Deck's a fan of the Jets? Because they're called the New York Jets, but... Aren't they in Jersey, technically? Okay, that makes sense. Yeah, buddy. Is Pal done yet? Bro, I don't know, man. Pal, I don't think Pal actually spoke to the public. I think that he might have had a talk, but it might have been some insider info or something. Like, not insider info, but, you know, insider trading in a way. I'll get with him by year's end to make sure we get one planned for early 2024. Yeah, buddy. Woo! So, killing it, man. I mean, no. Love that. He's not a Birds fan. He is not a Birds fan. I know. Hey, man, I've lived in PA, you know, most of my life and everything. And, hey, man, I'm a Dolphins fan. All right. Sad to see us lose to the Bills. I'll be honest with you guys. But I think, you know, I can't complain about that good old 70-0. No love for my boys. The Birds. I don't mind the Birds, bro. There's nothing wrong with the Eagles. They're killing it. What a game this weekend, though. I didn't actually tune in. Let me check that out real quick, guys. We got a little bit of time left here. I don't think myself I'm going to trade too much, guys. So let me show you guys the P&Ls. 2,800 on the day on this account, and then 234 on this account. So this is a personal. This is the prop. So I have to make right around 4K more, and then I'm good to go, baby, on it. Done deal. So what am I looking up here? Oh, yeah, Eagles game. Did they win? Oh, they did take a W. Over the Commanders, a.k.a. the Redskins. Woo! Yeah, buddy, he's not a Birds fan, no. Go Fins! Jay Heard, baby. He knows what's up. Thanks, YB. Yup, no problem. No problem, man. Bro, my Niners been killing it. Amazing game yesterday. 4-0 this season, baby. Dude, I can't believe we lost to the Bills, bro. Like, not okay, some of you Bills fans are about to go off. Alright, but, like, bro, I'm not too big into football. But, like, I'm just like, okay, man, listen. How are we going to 70-0 the Bengals? Wait, excuse me. Hold on. Excuse me, not 70-0, 70-20. Dolphins. Let me actually look up their schedule. I don't even think it was the... Like I said, I don't really watch too much football. But, like, you know. I do know that our team is not too bad. Okay, hold up. The Broncos. I don't know why I said the Bengals. Broncos. Alright, that's how much football you guys think I watch. Alright. Right? The Bills, 20-48 up. That's so sad. 36-34 to the Chargers. 24-17 to the Patriots. Patriots are down the gutter now, ladies and gentlemen. All right, I'm just putting that out there. I need to be Patriots fans. You guys bandwagon for too long. Might as well switch over. Switch to the Chiefs now. Some of you guys. Wait a minute. Guys, is it confusing to me that it's called the New England Patriots? But in my head, I'm thinking that, have we always had, hasn't it always just been, like, the States, bro? Like, you got, like, I don't know, like, you know, you got, what would it be? Miami. You know, you got Miami Dolphins, Philadelphia Eagles. How many teams are outside of the United States? Because I'm not quite, like I said, dude, I don't follow football that much. I don't really know too much. But it's just so weird to me. Like, Jacksonville played. Did you guys see that Toy Story thing, too? You guys see that Toy Story thing? Oh, I know you guys saw that. Oh, I know you guys saw that Toy Story thing with Jacksonville in London. That was crazy. That was weird. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know how to describe it. But chilling, guys. Yeah. Yeah, I got no comment. Oh yeah, boy. Oh yeah, baby. Woo. So, ladies and gentlemen, chilling out. Michelle De La Cruz L saying L. Ask Caesar if he would give $10 million to return 25. Like $25, Zach, or 25 million? Michelle De La Cruz just commenting L. Like you love me? Okay, Michelle. Okay. Michelle getting it over there on YouTube. L. That's it. Like love. Like lust. Like LinkedIn. You know, the app. You guys know what I'm saying. Alright, guys. Oh, man, ladies and gentlemen. I think that just does it for me. Ladies and gentlemen. L Market could be L Market as well. Michelle, I hope you enjoyed the stream. Zach, ZZ, anyone over there on YouTube.com. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the dual stream. Anyone over here on Tradecaster.com. I hope you guys love the dual stream as you guys get to see the ins and out of it every single day by being over here to Tradecaster. Woo! What a day, guys. What a way to end the day. What a way to start the month. Up 2,800 on one account and up 234 on another. Cannot complain. Ladies and gentlemen, let's get a good yeah, buddy. In 3, 2, 1. Yeah, buddy. Woo! Ladies and gentlemen, I will catch you here 10 AM EST tomorrow for this money market, baby. Peace.